aba edeba Adom TV dwumadi we eye nkrachesem me a medi dwumadi ho chia me edi amye so ani nita kotego na me da asese wo de afidi ato a me koso a ene wo ka asem bi se fanse wa apeba ono ho kani ena Nyankopon dom a wo yere fa ya funu eno okowo ye me ka mwanyi madum pani yemu enti mo awo akwada we wo da ba fi obi ani age baby kafo ena wo be ma no wo da na ho da kro wo da ho ena wo tam ho koto akwada yi so ena wo da akwada yi eti so ne hwene ontimi home ade achi ya na akwada yi wawu ade na ka be ye ka obebo ho so bo se ena mekum me ba no ye na bra mabre tesa wo yira de o de be ye wo no ba enya abadada abrabo nim ensem mitimi sisi a ya na ye ntiase enya abadada ye nku ye ho na emom no ede na ebetimi ayo a de apare ye no ye nsa beka biom ede na ebetimi ayo a de ye ni no ye besa anya biom ede na ye betimi ayo a ebema ni aye hwe no ye nsa aka ena ne ye ben wo ho ne ye ben ene ede na de a esi ya akwanside ya ye betimi asua ne gyaye ne ye unim emra na Israelfo efim Islam no tam wo mbeto pokoko no na obi adwen eni so betimi atwa pokoko no never a hard time. It was a difficult and tough moment. So we two minutes if you are tamfo enchen na tamfo no tata wo na over to a po se eyiri so nie wo fa benkum na nifa ana akoto podum na wuo a hard time but unya awrechiremu ebo timopo kwambia so no obetwa ya na ehuna ebeka yen ene adwendwen no a ebeto ya adwen proso no ena ma yenya adwene ebedwene afa kwa betama afa so ebunkam akwansidia so. Our thought patterns of negativity cloud our mind from making decisions to take us away from the situations that are difficult we face. Ena semnaba ato ena sobo ena we na ye ena kwadwo na ye yo ena kwa na chese ya ha emwa ha yo no esi wadwene kwan. Anxiety always occludes your mind from making decisions. Worry atete so you be asemba na otete na obuafu na onwinwia wadwe mu na ho cleander enya ba pakonwa anakete na trans na gitum sa ba asi enti kwamben so ene mefaye ene esiye edien ena meyoye ana manyo ana wo ya sese ko ya wanye ya ana wo yoye na afi wabu nkunta na wonsem bisa no adwene be na mefa metimi asode afri ho na jack se wo bu ho abomfia yade we ye se bekumi ka kire on say if the doctor says 85% of people who suffer these illnesses die, I will follow my treatment plan and I'll be part of the 85%. I will not be part of the 85%. Yade we are actually me doctor and say ya fanipa oha emu edu watwe enum omu minus me se eba ne se adwuma ni o man mu a me de ni amesua ne amahunu ntino adwuma wo ho ma me empo mi ametimi ahye bibia ahye ayo ana ametimi akopaa bi akodi paa bi enya kapra bi kakra afie mienu ana mfie miensa kire metimi abo asika no na metimo po ampese meye no meye. You see, very often we see life as an instant thing. And they years say ye, and they years say ensure to there be ensure emuna asato. Ensure emuna asato. And yana memma unsure nto prekope. Yana adwe so, ena mewie, ena enkoye, mesoso mesua. Kwambia aso no, meye empo application amede kwa no. Ato akine a emfa ho. Adwuma ba ko pa ne anyeme a, enye se adwuma bebrebe nyeme. Metimi me one me na my papa na ye. I should focus your mind in the positive mood, you get a better understanding of what you can achieve even in difficult times. So ma dwempa kasapa etina wadwen proso da hia da mu a wadwen mu bie e me kenya ho e ma unya empo ano aduro sese wodi amansan achi e na ayedin ho e ne ebre yenkwe yenkwe emwa we obia ebre nko obia akwansidi nko obia mere yonko ti samuna bisa ho se hina me mere yo hina abrabo ayedin amame emisi kasem adwuma na menya me kasa ameka ma wade anade na ayedin a sense obia ayedin o entiden abrabo ehya ase ayedin ye ne efi Mose mere so na abrabo ye edin eja Abraham onya 100 years ansa wo edi ntina wansu enso onyenda so se de atie bia no enchenche wo nafe wo yiri Sarah emfie de okono abrabo kire se wo ba wonya emfie de anan numu a no wo bra to atwa enso Sarah onyenda so se de atie bia no obewo enda so gidie ene ahofama ene empose obepe bibi papa ka kire ho no ehu hia sinse obebu ho abonfia abosobo so ta meka no de hia da de beba emre mu ba yedine efitete besi ne abrabo enye emreda suto bre beba eno yo amre beba nanso usua ne ode abrabo be ya ye a abrabo be wie payo wo se minim na meka ho minim na meka pa efitete besi ne obia fa de hia da muda obia fa de hia da muda so na ye Daniel a edekoto jatabo mo bon se de hia da wo wiase wo de nye jatabo na adamu yenda so na pe kasapa ka kire ho na pesua hunu na twa na montuo papa se de tie bia no ebe wie pa ya ma woni onyame entina wo somfo ni tekotegu ana meja wo kyan so ebe hia makrao
adwenpa ene kasapa ema wadwe mu bie wante hwekra ewo ni tekotegu asem nim no fa eno eya na motu no ene adwenpa ene kasapa ema wadwene mu bie opani yedase sa no pens wa bie bedwam dwumadie no ano ede ensem bie tesa ato yentrim no siabo enti mede anopa bedwam kase no etoso ene eye November bosom no ne nefu etoso enso fiempimie no ene eduonum no die di makoten bia obete ene se enipa enum bi ena osusu se wabo wontuo ewo enchi afenso soafa wo hwekua ye honsem so na de afutuo masika krabia hodo no se womo emfasika enhye emumu se ne be ya ne kra no amafo ebetete so atifi atoye fem no so aposifo ewo honom no eche se womo aye dwumadie bi de akai womo aposifo bi a womo ahwere womo kwa meche Western North mantam no emum we ka we ho ne ma eye bejam kase me din de ma meche Diamond memwache afi meshase so afa wo hwekua yo honsam so ene enuane wo memu ena wo de afutu amasika krabia hodo no se wo sere won empendodo omafo esesa Ghana cedi no na omode kwa dollar nim na ode kra emo ba o memu no ne nyina aka ho bi ena ye emo na ho ye den na ne bo so akosoro enti wo sere banks ahodo na wo memu no se wo madaroma aye a wo ma besia na afenso won sika no won fa bi hye mfidi a wode ye emo mo se ne be ya ne kra afia ma no ne bo memu no eso bete
se wadiska ebehye mu se be yebetumi agina yie
emo dua ne de say ano aso japa problem an say ucha mo no e paddy rice mfidi a de be mele no na isawo Ghana na banso ni sika ye na o se koto sa mills no nti o mu dan na o se nkazo banks no eboa omo so masene na o mutimi to mfidi no mo se the bay betimi amele betimi apo emo no ho ama by assistance no wo fi Nigeria ena na beto party se say ya band say ya mo ntobio
Justina Marigold Asan eyeswa for hwemfimfini mantam so wono so de nsem etudwa
Waji na noye do Badwam hen ni yetu hanamon amekwadwuma na yepede ye ma finfi mantom afane tampefra etuma afane tampefra oye okyereko ehɔ no yedua emo na mmom emo ne duaba na bodidua no oil the rice seed no hɔ na wɔyɛ na onkyekra sepe emo ne duaba ne bi edua agye de ba okyereko na mmom wɔka de ɔha kakra wɔ wɔndam bi a nsute ma ɔban oil the webu kakra nti minister so waje pin de ɔbɔboa na ekwafo na bi so pɛ oye machines a ɔbɔboa ho na ma na ekuaye no so akɔnanyim.
Western North Regional Police Command wo ho no ededa kwasi honom agina won na so ede aye enkaye dum ama won nuanom aposifo bi a won nam wo dwuma so sa aposifo na wahwere wo monkwa we ejumede e course oposi atan kese meche won headquarters a eno ewo sehwiyo so ewo Western North Mantam no ahinkro.
Western North Regional Police Commander Kasawo Memorial Parade a wonum ye no ase no ene woda ne die se police adwumakuo no de esi wonum sa afibia a police fo a wo hwere won kwan wa abra no ye adwuma no obeye dwumadie soronko de akai wonum ne kasa yemu no wo kire a police fo a efiri afimpinu ene dunkunu wonam adwuma so hwere wonum kwan woda ne die se nipa nyina no police adwumakuo no ebebo modin ase obekai wonum esan wonum dwuma pa. The
Western North region records show that in the month of December 2019, we lost two very most important members of our staff. We have Sergeant Emmanuel Chikubo, who was escorting a bullion van and was attacked and shot dead by armed robbers. And during the same month, Sergeant Sloy, Lord Constable Francis Osei Amankwa, was also shot dead whilst he closed for work and was returning home to the family. The police service will forever remember them for their sterling qualities of honesty, integrity, and hard work.
Me a wono krona e na wo hwehwe se panipa woda enum traditional council no ano e wo Esiojaman district mu ene okoji amai kwasi enyane a wotoso enum na odi adesede eto IGP Dr. George Akufo-Dampare ne se wosre no wone ne important hofo no wo hia bambofo na wo mbota yenti a wo de sre sa ahobambo ne se krono no ekoso ho no ama amafo da wonna wonso no egujam enti posi emo won ho bai.
Manfo bi a wote ekrom honom nso ene amane boni etwetwe nkomo
cho akromfo bi be take yen wo lorry kwan so instead of kwan no enya ninti omunya ye ho kwan ti mi wia ye ebubo ebi tu ebi de o yare namo no so anode nya ehwere ne nkwa nti no eno sa ne ye hia banbo police for bet na ho be say 2 weeks bi na muja ye ho koye
akromfo no ba ha be say 3 times e wo kwan no so omo ha ya adwen pa ahomache be say 3 o'clock no ma be cross barrier na omo lutu nkrofo a omo woka no mu no omo tututu ni ade basa ha oman no say ye police for ha no ka from so afekura so omo ni car BBC a ombetimi atuka no atresi ayesa de no nti mpanfo betimi aboa ye ka ma police for no atimi amamo adwuma no atimi akonya nkoso
won samafa enhumasia honso kwantrefo pani a ono no da enhumasia no adwumadie na mecha director general for Ghana Education Service ene Eric Nkansa ena wotre mu se eya ban no trimu pose obesi the offer say science lab ni bi baby abode mu nyansape ho adesua koso no ebi ewo Akyerensua Senior High School a eno ewo ahaf mantam botaye taiwe no a woba besi no achi no se esukufo a wo sa suku yi mu no wonso wonim de efa science no ho no ebe konkan
Oni abua headmaster ewa Akyerensua SHS obo aban abaso se wasi gina ye se woba besi sa laboratory ya ma wono mu a wasan so di tu dwa se wono mu hia bus ene pick up ya ebeboa ma de kire ne adesua ho nsem atimi akonkan ewo school mu hono mu.
The population of the school continues to increase, but it depends on only one old 33-seater bus for our transportation. The library that the pioneer students use, which has a capacity of 40 students in the early 60s, is still serving a student population of over 2,600. Dear Director General, your good office to support the school with a modern library to facilitate research, because we know you are a university lecturer. These friends word of criminals who enter the school at all times to pose danger and threat to both students and the working population.
George Boache ayeswa for sha for mantamu so wodin sembi etudwa.
In response to this, the District Chief Executive of Asutifi South has proposed to put up a 12-seater WC toilet for the girls in Greater Achisco beginning next year. So the only reason is that we all gathered here, that is all Achiscodians, all our past and present statuses to the kind of education we receive here in Achisco.
Openia o share homesia honsem so of Fantia Kwanof mentioning any Gloria Agri Kilson and our dear said dear to abanim say nano fiempim ene Duba Cometra 2011 no Trimupa umunyina kosi hunkunya so behwe amano abeye mra na ye adwuma ene say cheche ni bia wode ne beko nkurase anase bia ye homu den no anka wo de aketua no anase allowance no hamunchemu aduonu 20% ebe masa cheche ni se ne be ya obia ye do beko akurase ana krokito abi mu no ubeje pene no akwakochira de enti saa na no bohye bi no a wo hwe anim se be ye mra no abanhwe na nya adwuma
Tebedenia wujina ma won mo fanti akwa north kwabena amankwa asiama eso de ato achechefo nyina animu se onye adwumaden won firi won yam enye enkyere adesuafo no ade ne titiro ene won mo wo kyera de ewo enkurunkuma mu
nyame kache teachers ane say omo entire profession not for gains any do obi anim because for gains anka teacher for ngiyenye bi mo omo nkyera de omo entire say they have the passion to teach and see children grow through them. Some even have, majority of them have the passion to see, say, and Colano Beni, no air cassia, soldier cassia, police cassia, and then Misha, Mammy Bua, me, this is dieta. Oh no, check could do upon Cromadi. So I say, honorable could do upon Croma, on a channel, dear, Cecilia, Namene Casano, make catch and so, or channel, dear. So, and the whole day I've made a day for her. And no a day a teacher for na komaso. Yes, omo money say nienti a omo ko teaching. Omo nyini wo omo grow na omo nya abadaye emma ankola no. Go enti na omo say teacher for ma omo nya basabasa o. Omo ye titru for nko a. Teacher for no nya abotre man ye ha na enkrase ne doso. Ba me de nsa to me nsa yem say omunya abadaye emankola no omu teach omu ye ne omu adwene ene omu adisue nyina no omu impact knowledge ni ye na skills no nso enko values no nso enko aptitude omu nye ni ye attitude no nso omu imbibe into the children na nkola no nso nyini empanimpa na omu nso omu nyina na ofrene me master ni me teacher ni na teacher no nso wani age na nyame nso ehira na o man so ayeden ayeyi
Penipa, anasa principal or that fashion and design training hub ano ene Abrantier College Abrantier our friend say King David Thompson and odi afutio emma emabunu a eba say won ti cry ye aban de bibia ba friend say TVET a eno no eye ensa no djuma enti wonyanya sa akwanya no na no bi so a na odi aye adjuma ye efise no ene bema obra wo bo no ene wasetem no wode won sabaye bibi na ama ho ahan wo
Okasa forma pa waton sa frɛ no na osa ye obi a wakwadare wo nipa honamdua entity ye mu Doreen Madison Sowa enso e de futusem ekoma won ma wo pon won hu ese wonye won hu ni na onyi ahomaso ne ahantan emfiri wakwan mu se de be ya wetumi de entity ya wabeje no aye adwuma na de won aduru akire
the hairdressers no ye wa ahantan sunsum boye hu so we need America acha wanende hairdressing salon hairdressers creative people we are proud. But until you become humble, you can't go forward. Mama, I fear na esiano. Oma enye ahumama so.
Ezekufu ya wo nso abaje ntetiye na wopon wo hu ibi ni adom kase hwetwe nkoma a wo nso edi anahoba ensem etu dwa kire se wo beye dwumaden na nimdi a wabaje no wo de adwuma ama omanfo nso anya so mfaso.
Abrante College there, meaning the make because Senka Mambahasea and Kamakechwe. It's I know that I'm going out there, making impact.
Abrante school is school back one a dance Ghana and I'm mining now. Into me capture young ladies or young guys out there who want to learn skills that they should enroll in Abrante College.
Oh, no credit back like Abrante is a very nice place. Monsieur Nyama Bebre, and they are very committed, very creative.
Abrante, Mr. David Thompson, Yamin Shani Bebre, why are dear?
One sample from Mono Oba Hema War Repair Division and no Brekum Traditional Council or Bono Mantam Nim, Ene Nana Efia, Sira Ababi or Tosso Miensa, Nana and a dear future and my Mabruno say, when your social media Quenya Nibia, the Aurora, a honor the answer Fatano and Fanfaho, name one of a social media Quenyano, a ye bibia, a Badwam Casa, or Brabo, and they were sitting.
Kukumi sana hene fofora wodi na si ade so e wa aguna dua kwa wono so etu emabunufo se wonfa won ho enhye ensa no dwuma mu se be ya ebeboa ama wono mu enya sika ede abo won ho bra
se yenya enkaboma impuntu ntumimba se mwanga samu de mo ye nsem trofo ya hu ne ekoso ye mantem baby ankabomu ni no impuntu ntumimba nti yebese mia midina mabusua na mu ede adesrede eto dua kwa oman mu se yenyina yebeye baako na yaya akomakro ne yaya nkabom ama impuntu etumi aba yeman
enu akire na wahini owo aguna dua kwa nana kodwo amankwa awotoso num enso de nsem etudwa
asole busua fu nyina yeda mo ase modena mayen yesrese mara so beta ni chi meduma no waye ni yi enye se eyi modena be dia de na chi eyi matmu ho afi no ho yesre mombo ano deduma obeye no onye ni yi fenta ya
na eye nije sempa ewo Ringway Assemblies of God wo brakane mampani John Dramani Mahama ene asafo no ekosomoye esa won nipa wayi no foforo se superintendent obeda Assemblies of God asafo na no ewo won krabata no ewo Ringway na no sei ene nije sem no eye na de okan ye bi nso ene se wo nyina beboa ama de bre na waba besum se wo bo nyame adwuma no bibia be koyie
Badwam mpanyin dada John Dramani Mahama ebo mu ene sofo panyin a wayi ne foforo ewo Ringway Assemblies of God ekosomye ene no ene wodi atudwa se wono ene Assemblies of God asafo manyina ebetai na chi sebe ya obetumi aye awrade adwuma ne yie bra wonum kopie mu ewa soy dem honom no ene gie ene osebo ena wonum ade yi awrade aye.
It's very difficult to think that it's already how many years since Pastor Tete came. It looks like only yesterday, but when I was reading the biography, he joined us in 2011. That's a long time ago. And today, he's been installed as our head pastor. Lordina and I want to congratulate you. And as it's always said, the harvest is plenty, but the laborers are few. Let the Lord of the harvest send more laborers. And so you are in the Lord's spiritual vineyard, and the harvest is not harvest of grapes or yams or tomatoes or cassava. It is harvest of human beings and teaching them the word. We as a congregation promise that we'll be a good congregation. We'll support you and Madam Grace so that you would glorify the Father.
Etikane mampani John Dramani Mahama nesuma wone Ring Road Assemblies of God kobo musumo no midina no so na me de Badwam kase no esi enne ye duada enti Badwam kase no sisa no na obonkrata no ne online no ebeba wakwam no achi agokansie mu nsem ebeba wakwam the guy screen of sister Sandy be a guy ade ahosepe no ebebro style bia fisam komotoche emre so ametena se ede abro no so achi no pensem mu beba kwasinsia enso no betena se na afi pensem mu no one na Badwafo de ekoso wo Ghana enso asomo ma ye share wo Facebook ho aye ma re Facebook so wadwen kire ni hia ma Ghana de hotie no pato ase like it na share enso so nti ahwefo nyina ba bibia mo hwe ye fi no ye mamache opani kwasinsia atena se kwasin pacha mache
Beje so lady
na pom to say
boko na anso eja
nyame dom eye na wo
ade chenko ade
sende un say anthem no any policy no ade chia
complain na no fiada so ye de e parents dom
ye de nyame ase
yes
ye de nyame ase
obi oba enso ye da na ase
ye de
ho ye ni kan ye pa yes na
obi ase eye se nipa kai se esese wo de nyame ase
oh yes
despite it all
yes
esese wo de nyame ase se wase a oti ye se kiremu a with just a sentence a
untimi ube wi aba be en ani so fa
wasam kra be wa
yes en be dos
sa ba Ghana for so that if you say in Kenya no a wo sha ase wa ha no enipa no bi wo ho mo kire say de wo in Kenya no kra timi wura won no na wo tena fia entena am ka sa manyosem kwa na anim ye se nyame honhom so ewo mu sa na tie bibia wo ne mre ade ko ne mre no so ya
ye nyina di
sa na tie nti ne mre no so na ade na ye fefefe nti Ghana for so da se so wo so show mu kran nti nyame ase tikwasi
okay lady mame kwa amado so na me ni enkomo weyi embra owura samabuache donko vice president edema ankrankra ayaresabia na enu anomde nsantwefo kata bia pia bonten se ekaya National Health Insurance Authority pen for aduomo no hwebe ayere soa na otwe baako entem oso otimi hwe eyam bibi enye saade a ne efe ne cash and carry na otwe wie de ye bekomu anisa operate akam wa chana pay eba bedwam dwumade so Adom TV
me Joseph
yeda se komodie be na money National Health Insurance Authority pen for edia etimuma Ghana for na otwese ya nhwe ye be sa ko cash and carry aba hospital beto yanka say no abrekuta health insurance
nia medase na mechia tifunya ni Ghana manyina yen private for the nyam kopons no kwani kan ya ekoi empensa tebisisa se de bia ya samai kan se enipa nkwa yento se bi unu ayare na oba yare sabia na abande ade papa bia ba efo ne health insurance aba na obeka se o tiniska enye ne kwaso no enye papa no empensa nenso yen tebio yenye dro ana yenye asawa ana yenye plaster akadi bia yedi adwumani bia no menu yema enye ena yeyi ai nanse ai de tete pharmaceutical companies no se yamo ko kasankari na efe se bia akobi no mudi yenye mo kasa mbati yen e bia nim se bia mo de bo abani henya se na ba abani be ma musika na abani bitua yen providers na eja yechochi omoka etmenya ndofofo ene akande de etuma efense bia ye no mutinkunya beyi so ye no mutinkunya kan de bida bebi omutia no mutina te oboto du na fasikabra onya be ma tiken so eni ye ho ediskaya ye ntuma akosa ban ho asike ya ban fema yen na eno mpa hompo no yinu no ma ekasa dro ye fasikamra ye matoi enye bo no mpa enka no na ye to no ena yinu no mu ede ma hipiem adintia dollar sem eni yesi dia sem enwa sem ayabasa ntinka no edu anka auto no teku ena okwa a jump times 3 of the price auto sawa ebia 10 cities last 2 months and I'm not say 30 cities the same size of cotton it ama to manage tene tunya ho bia ya ni utwa ho bia inka ise bi o akadempo ayetuma ati onu yankwa ni ayena dia se ofema
but abari Samuel Boache Donko 1 week enye too short say National Health Insurance Authority bet me ayen ya mope e de amamo
minia enye too short it take as enye too short na say you know pharmacy for instance some boy henya ekobusumini etie podi yesi ka yankasa ka idim say ka ba ya che na sopem anka yen provide say ya desankofo ne ka no odi sika na be man ye tu omoka do it kana say die etipisi die nenso can you manage it? Because you know the situations in the Ghana, in the country and across the whole world, you know it's can you manage so you munga kankaka. Because you pray and can you be stable? You know to me about the same level. That's so you have any ma. That's insurance. If you have your omniska.
Okay.
Just kind of more. When you have my car, Dr. Kopo and Kochoyaka.
Sir, you can say, Bosume say, and a National Health Insurance Authority, a day moka, according to the payment plan.
You see, I am a no say, if you want to January, or Masaka, if February, or Masaka, December last year and some kind, November last year and some kind. Now, what just a question in February of this month, I can say. But and an attack me. It is 3 March, November, you I did call ye December. The Cabia Mai. Now, in fact, December. Okay. Or December, after Baco. Now, November. Never can the after Baco in fact.
Now, say, ye share payment plan now a year 3 months now. Near when you're the highest year a year February, no. National Health Insurance Authority in pen for the car best at 9 months. 6 months.
Exactly. And can you put your say Kayan Casao? Can you pay a pharmaceutical for each other? Like all the money doing a yes, so do not one of my years or no. Bema, and your pocket wow. I look on it to you, Queen. Me walk to do not what thing. Now, Opa, whatever many punishment. Any
okay. Says a more musika na akamni nko anasebo call for another review of prices na yedema mono.
Binya ye call for another review of price. Ye put ye sin ka aban ni yen pharmacy for na sin kunya. Okay. Na you kwaya be for sadi we was one. The law mo tuni money no. It's so serious that it's impossible to operate under health insurance. You almost no. Yes, so according to law no. That's how you to under health insurance. But in go for ye. Okay, it's dollar. Okay, I was a city. What do you mean to man and health insurance? Easy. Okay. Easy. And also, I take the memo on my hypertensive. And diabetic, try to routine drugs the piano. And now by to Yatum. I get to buy Yatum. Or was in the minister. Which like a song you go. Easy.
Okay.
It's impossible that you can't be a charming Abema. Easy.
Yati, Yashan, Dr. Okoboy, CEO, and a pound for a bear fauna. 1 week, dear, a bear.
When I mean, was in the pay. Yes, you provided you money.
Okay.
You pray, and may you throw
but I say,
Pacho, you throw my money mine.
Yeah, so Paddy Sabab watching don't call a Vice President Dema. I'm Crankra Aspiti, outdoor year war on my Ghana, Monty Lady D. It's a work with National Health Insurance. No, for 2 teams say now you could have and I say, I buying into me and yet your more canem or more dear. Oko and Crankra Hospital, can who say enro, and ya said be mouno, which yaka.
Na akobana sano. Yes, sir, they say o my yare.
Yeah.
Na you be a yenyeska enchiano.
Payasem.
Ahohiahia ama metoyen so. Nti Erade ntie ye mpaibo. Amen.
Amen.
Enti kwasi Erade tie ye mpaibo no na aban so ye na sede.
Yeah.
Nti no me call online so na de wa hanum say ni. Economic hardship forces former MP to pick short road. Kwasi.
Lady.
Wadwentre. Ana me komanim.
Eye me ngwanwa.
Ne sen ho a.
Eye me ngwanwa.
Ne sen ho na enye ngwanwa no. Eye amanyo sem na eye no kwasem.
Say a former MP because minim former MP bin so a. Or the tremua na wonam sa since our free machine je film.
Okay.
Yeah, the last time class say me when say Adisa way area honum baby.
Eye aho chirenti.
I want to believe so because MP not V8 modie. Na se ne uhu na se ogina trotrama amanfo from on so akofro bi de test say ahunhia na aba. Well Yamedi said now can yamina na say baby adun de obehwe because lady enya izo eno na obi ka kire me say oh no say last week say otia shalebotwe obegina kwa ho no offer trot a car from a shalebotwe to seka 15 Ghana cedis.
Okay.
Okonoba 30 Ghana cedis. Kai onti Ashalebotwe station. Eje station one and if you it will do station where obefa taxi. Yeah, 3 cedis 50 pesos. Asa dia ko no asa fa bi dia ba. It already was another 7 Ghana cedis plus 30 cedis. Ose ko so dia me mani me bedru se ka me mani anante aba adwuma. So within the day, I was spending 37 Ghana cedis on transportation.
That one, so you're marking a
That is it.
Okay, so...
And now I'm not going to see transport fare by 39%. 39%.
Okay.
Drive one fee some the best year. On fee you be able to calculate. 39%.
But mathematicians
within a week, okay. Lady, within a week. Officially, the government, they more no, 19% here near him. Ye danya ne ye afem wo especially this a movie to 23 Ghana cedis. Afem ko fro troto be mu a ye se asesa. Fair ya la uchia no, ye increase it by 20%. Okay. Don't forget drivers the 40%. Drivers the 40% the core government wo. The 40% to and the core government wo them. Ela mape kwan bia so 40% no, abenye mu 39% without government approving the last 20% no the toso. This is the situation. This is the situation.
Well, whatever it is, no. I hear here and beba, but abano, dear na yesu from. It is an ano no be a yesu trotro for dada. And enya ferry and enya ni wo say, dear would be able to be join a bus, to me join the train, to me join the trotra. Ebi anka when said anya asem nwanwa asa, but it is sadder than ti akwaya asem nwanwa, but akwaya asem nwanwa no in the name of here no. E dey na yesu afru. Me come him.
Okay.
Enti adomonline.com no so ba kwa ha no say Hogbechocho Festival Baumia receives rousing welcome from Anglo State. Mantene Sandra. Kwesi utene Sandra.
O say neguma hodo.
Neguma hodro. Yes. I like that. Neguma hodro. Okay.
And obi choose baby opese offer.
Okay, okay. Yes. Matewa se. Enti emongu na hwemu fo no ye homu de no. Ena ye mpagya na ye fancy ho fo no so ye homu de no.
It could also be say obi ehun se ye man rousing welcome.
Obi ehun.
Yeah, it make me say obi ehun.
Well,
no ko hu ye ne time be an able.
No ya adwen.
It also happens so be so ehun time ye able to.
Yes.
No we see e chi and up.
Yes.
Survive so.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
I didn't so
me no ya adwen. Me no ya adwen, but whatever it is no say hu hia o pa. Obasa o chro ho asem pa. O na woni ho kra no a. Obehwehwe de di ka si ye. Ene se de ko wie ye. But ni nyina kabom ena ye mua. Enti mo a mo se ye mongu na hwengu no ye som. Mozo amuse ye kukuru nyina ho ne ye mpagyansi ho no yesom ne nyina anka momu asa emwa enti
okasa asemu ya amanfo ntias
ene se ho a
hwe me see the seat of government here presidency no matter what emfa woni nipa oteso that obuo enidie ye se fatane de we should accord that seat that is why America will forgo anything to protect their president. He is the image of the country. And now we are now MPs aside the war Kenofrata sono. Asema kwali dina meka say it is not about the person Kenofrata. It is the situation ya ye wom.
Okay.
It is ena utia ka se Kenofrata nya de ye nyina. This is the same person who did mu am yakwa sika de abe show up oman sika sem kakra. Nipa na ye ku ne kwaje ne hobosia no die pig a picture na painti e dey to the trim.
Okay.
Menka so bi ye bone am yenka. But they are setting seat wo my Ghana no matter what. Ye fi amanyo sabonto nchen. Yes, ebi a president ye ade woni nye ho. Yes, ebi a vice ye ade woni nye ho. But for the fact say okura omani susum edenam ese mampani ana mampani abede akire no. No matter what. Na mampani na manfani agine ebon hey na ekrofani agese ye ro ye mampani. Are you forgetting say one day that same seat ye na ye gu hu fi ye to ateche nyina edebon no penina wudi na chi apese obetena akonya sa akonya kro na obetena so ene watam hama ebubu sa akonya no ochina penni ba hefa na obetena
okay eya sembisa enti na wafa odi afrim but ne nyina mu no kwasi charity begins at home anano no a na womo ene ye huro wom no na ebi huro ebinom no na womo fuaso
sure
sa na ano no so womo tia womo say hey yenye ne sa no matter what yenye ne sa anya hwe kra ne ye Ghana fo enti yenye ne sa anka ene no enkonko yesa charity begins at home yenfi ene ne yanya sesa no ne yahwe ni panim ne yantia no a se de bia meka na yesa afa edu so a ne yedidi wa ansa na abehu se enye yemfo aso sa but na no obi ye no ene yehwetia no de asotwe bata ho asotwe abedwa nyina behu bata ho a anka obi ye ne na anka ehu beka no nti obi anya ne homework obi anya ni homework nti eno ho asem no ena ba konso da has Ghana card remains only ID for SIM registration ti SCA bo amane se SIM card no be say hello no ye bi na wo chat de a ena wo ni Ghana card no bi a we hu afrim because card bi ani ho a ebe ma osa kwanya no nti se wo de ye amanyosem ana wo gidie na ema okwan se obeye eyi Ghana card no ena TNCA for eti ye fie no sna fe UN General Secretary gifted Black Stars jersey. Oh, that's nice. Okay, nti UN General Secretary Mpacho Ghana for Ghana Blasters ye damasepa nti eno so ho asem no. Why my kids did not attend at motor school? Nana Kredo Ajuma Rollins and e kasa asemi se ne ntia ono the baby ankwa at motor school no. Mpacho kwa adomonline.com. Ma mi achirechim. Nana Mpacho mache me wache nti kwasi.
Here we are, my for Ghanaian Times they publishing. I'll see at Anloho Bechocho Festival, we will curtail high fuel prices. Vice President assures Ghana. President Nana Addo Dankwa attends World Leaders Summit of UN Climate Change in Egypt. Protesters demo in Accra against economic hardship in Kumbi Preko reloaded. Ghanaian Times and Ghanaian publisher Ensu Enye. Alan leading ambitious trade policy 6 years on. Former CEO of Bay charged with stealing depositors' money over 1.2 billion. Ghana's in the super area. Ghana has only one elected president. Majority leader yells at NDC MP. Ghanaian publisher. And so the lady.
Yo, auntie Adisia Mago Kensi no. Atwas but ni teko tegum crunch semano pay. Or the ma wanna say adwen pa ene kasapa. E ma wadwen mu bie. Yem wache.
Akwaba kese be ba Adom TV so Adom TV so be dwonwome die so dia wo kensi ho sempa esa kena no penso ja me di Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudie catch ba ko pe the only nomenclature professor's degree in sports the Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and Messi kunya ekono kwanten coordinates ma do esa kena no penso e wo Ghana go kensi 8 jaw she no soma mse nwuma ku no emien samadama na ebo miska dweteme na no penso den komo 8 years aba one expert have always told you that betting is better than soccer. Bet there and tasma we change so trying before didn't before trying to kuma bi odin kuma sa no num modern ada so sabeti aka one expert we try before waiting said before na mum where's the name is kwa bet with money that you can afford to lose ka ira enye ya no and the try bet yes bet diwa we tri betia bom adwum betia san hyehye o mesrew woni mu firi ngotwe fa wonyim wo hwe na krache for ne mranten de ho agima na ne ma ekoye moma gina nchen wonya firi ngotwe a na so de ho etia saji one expert and one dance here and be didi ma we Jeffers health mixture Jeffers mixture in America for the amount but modern da say no so sabetia come infections gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis white fever na so di po na chiwa edo ibu aprapra harawa no mna bo ho ama otimi di nchine che but modern for any chile herbal shops and pharmaceutical shops in mo on sabetimi aka Jeffers Sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel ibo adwuma pa e campaigns with mu ya odidia fu pampa so kopim wona ase no a property to assist home emaniama ekoye dem afo ni cha shama main market afen so tema enye na hokra obetia from pay 4020821929 afo ne Sedimo gel and roll yenjwetwen komo se opedro bi ato na ode ye ho anase wutu na wakoton on betia sambo ama setia kebwe mu ene sponsors no etoturu ne twetwe na no penso wo mo techira boa media wo kansi hu sempa ensaka no etimi ejaw a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins to very you need to mention world cup 2022 ɛwɔ Qatar na fi hwesa nema esi ekoso World Cup minute mu World Cup minute Azar Paint omadama omna techira bomena no penso de nkomo no 18 ba yeka Azar Paint dia eteso achesa modianda Azar Paint quality paint from Azar Group since 1921 and techira made the World Cup minute ene so di ejawo
efiti da World Cup tournament yi hyase no oman obagie si ne sere so mekire host nation no ya na dodo na ahwa ne mu se nkakuru akese no obesan age aka ho na so ano aye dene efitiri mrinsantre 1930 ama hodo nsia pe ena tumi host tournament ya kuru ahyenhyen isisu no omasan age 1930 Uruguay eyebi Italy eye 1934 England nso 1966 wojea Germany age 1974 Argentina age kruwa 1978 ena ne krakra mu 1998 no France emrantia no host tournament no SNG kruwa
minute Azar Group omadama omna di Azar Paint teche since 1921 ka Azar Paint dia eteso na echesa bomodia da krache for modia kadu kadan Azar Paint aba osatimi ke bebetia bomna teche me the World Cup minute Jumedia ikudie ewo katanso edi ejawo entwe mu ne fa ni twensanchire mu nkrafo from dia na se Minister for Youth and Sports Honorable Yusuf Mustafa eden komo kakra twensa basa Ghana omo budgeta yede kokopie mu ewo World Cup no wese na hye ne Asia kwa na se group stage no for 2022 FIFA World Cup no little over 8 million United States of American dollars and a bit according to Yusuf Mustafa an amount no e be increase based on stages Ghana betin asa reach ewo mundial.
Ghana, it will be a tough test for the Black Stars, but
if we progress from the quarter-finals to the last four, Ghana stands to receive 27 million United States dollars to 42 million US dollars. At this stage, we estimated a combined expenditure for the tournament at 14,184,100 United States dollars. This estimated expenditure include appearance fees, bonuses, per diem, flight arrangements, medical equipment, logistics, and hospitality.
No, if I Ghana your budget I did World Cup 2022 or Qatar no. But none and minister here or Sanko Pimu Rashebi Jim no Sandy jumping for say Adoma 55 man provisional squad send a FIFA former Equano will be kind of 55 man provisional squad netting about a kakra Mackenzie netting and Sabenwa will be 26 per Eddie film. Na enka no kwananka obehwe no 23 players and Ketian Sanko but it's a covered on Kone Bentino and if FIFA form paying for to Munchini and made 26 into 26 players and he be out of the 55 players a provisional list and also Etienne Satujano. We ma 3 home base players in TPM Danlad Ibrahim, Dennis Kosa and Afi Daniel Free Banier. Omni players are umutie and man 55 no muti no mo set 26 no on beka one as one count emre and then crabia the between such minority leader in parliament Haruna Idrisu and so say who say a very good squad nemum omonko no mo enkoyade.
It will be a tough test for the Black Stars, but they should survive the test with our country's support, with technical and tactical discipline. We do have a team that can compete favorably either with Portugal or with Uruguay. Mr. Speaker, my own view, if Uruguay was to be replayed today, and our rematch with Uruguay should be seen as a rematch of 2010 in South Africa when we were denied that golden opportunity. Mr. Speaker, today, even what Suarez did in football today, the referee should whistle a goal, not a penalty. My view is that the referee ought not to have said that it was a penalty. I mean, if you give where the ball ballooned to and where his hand was, he should have just whistled a goal for Ghana. But we cannot reverse the events of time and what happened in particular.
Enti World Cup honkomo and yeguso edino squad defense and top 55 man squad no ana otese minority leader in parliament Haruna Idrisu ordinary nkomo 18 say je wachire medical predictions be actually that EFA World Cup no say after 2022 Qatar World Cup no European country and between aje World Cup no e was na Asia course no. That's the prediction medical eshas ba sha no say France eshas was World Cup ma injury and so be have France for so adwene pa e was World Cup nkomo no mebo mo na watu ansati ase nti wohwe game na woto cha chance na de atoto na afi wo sene nema Asia koso Denmark enso be ha country bi adwene pa e wo sa World Cup mu eno so me de honkomo kakra betia sa ba mrepam na watimi asate nkomo na se but yenkom e wo Ghana Premier League matches awodro a eno so 8 years out of fam no week 5 matches na 8 years of fam kutokuro ya so bi se kutoku ne kotoko nkani na epe na so behwe no akoye se kukunte ene kokote ni na so kokon de anim na so hwe a ade foforo kra na kutokuro as etransema has etwa bakaba comment yante na afi Kumasi Asante Kotoko eche Samates 1996 po etwom 2-1 na sa kensi Samates for edi kan koto twede kan Kotoko giga no obete kan mienu nyina wo hwe semesi koso amudi ntwo e wo sa akensi nim.
Goalkeeper, look at the pass from Asante Yeboah. And then I absolutely feel sorry for the goalkeeper there because he's desperately trying to pull out of the challenge. He's not taking his leg out. He's just trying to pull out of it. I don't think he makes contact, which is enough to... Another opportunity to score from the spot. Efriye Barnier steps forward for the Phobians. And Barnier scores. Easy, that's it. Kotoko Royals. Neil Hatsabogwan and it's the star boy, Daniel Efriye Barnier. He's fast. He's very fast, becoming a penalty expert. And when he takes them, it's very assured. No chance for the goalkeeper. Struck really hard and into the roof of the net. Daniel Efriye Barnier on the score sheet. He's back in the lineup and back on the score sheet for Atafuk.
Down in the heart of defense, they get themselves out of control. But Samatex will keep coming forward. This looks good for them. A couple of green shirts in there. Shot is fired on target. And that is the first goal for FC Samatex 1996.
Stand. Kotoko has stand here at the Babaya Sports Stadium. Created that space for himself here. Lovely play from Samatex. Here, nobody there. Close to the Nomenchi. Picked the spot and...
Probably it's Mukwala. Straight into the goalkeeper and then the rebound. Gets the goal for Kotoko. They are back on level pegging. The smiles will now come on the faces of the Porcupine Warriors fans.
Through the wall, and that's pretty disappointing, but it hit it so well, a lot of power. It just bounced in front of the goalkeeper. He can't save it one time. And
Zeze calling for the ball again and gets a lovely flick from him. There's a fight for the ball now. Richmond Lamptey tries to go through the legs of his opponent. Well, he gets a free kick and a yellow card.
Yeah, this is very interesting, very tight. Yes, Mukwala running for the ball, and if it is a foul, it did happen in the box.
It's gone. Shot in there. Oh, easy, easy, easy.
This is sublime. Super free kick. Incredible free kick from a Japan. Sends the fans into frenzy.
I tell you, the mood change in the stands. It's one of joy. And Abusa knows that, no, we had it.
Yeah,
and I'm not surprised.
Yeah, the dummy
he
from
nailed
Tereku, and just look at the bend on the ball.
There's a Manchester now here, super free kick, incredible free kick. And the bro, Emma Wilson and Yama is here cost. But as a full coach, Slavko Mantic, and so about 2 matches, was 2 goals. And I said, well, we need 2 matches in now. When I can't see him now after the game, and on also didn't come with
I say that I want to make the better option for us. We have a lot of games, every player will play. We want to try for each game the best combination for us. You saw these 2 players first half, they have a lot of good combination together, and we keep the ball a lot. Also, I say this opponent is a very tough opponent, and they receive only 3 goals now in 5 games. They have discipline. Second half, they showed they was aggressive with the ball. They showed they can attack also with the long balls with the 2 strikers. They changed system also, but we will analyze. This is what we must do. And
Serbia need this year's Slavko Mantic has a full coach and 2 matches are bono. When you have victory, and they will join the same they actually gonna food now. But this mom say Justice Blay, part of the team, Omujinemu and Makodoko. Samates for your Mnyadwa. After the game, or just say the team, no, I relieved.
We know so you determine, but unfortunately, say like Omunya first goal, but still now you keep more attacking say bit me then atikano na yetin then yedi nkuhim dun so aboan because amama yetimi ade yenya 3 points akwenim afi na meba na the more we bo more matches no na wo confidence ne yeden eba nti bigidi say see am start ne de confidence ne beba say metimi aye then akome normal one na first and na me board dada no nti me sure say bia meda obi bia say especially supporters especially doctors are wo boa me a metimi aye then any technical team any I think the whole like Kumasi man na any omo support kotoko ina meda obi bia say
so nese ne aba no e was na nema esi ekoso other results it PM Dreams Football Club for any Tamale City 90 minutes soccer fiesta the score line was barren obi ene otian posu nyon kwantena Accra Lions eche instrataman for twoma kabi no man tian team sampa enkrajata omujom na so bekum Chelsea e chance ma RTU Real Tamale United be twoma kabi no bekum Chelsea take kana ba ko Karela Football Club echere be Chem United bosu medium prekese omutwoma ka ba ko ewo enyinasi enya asem kuma kra be Chem Antimi Antekana fi Bieni Go Stars 2 Kumase Kenfire Alaji Abdul Karim Gusa team no 1 as Kenfire Sentian Konkone Meduana Stars 4 ewo fie no echiro mbobre pa na ndo mahene team sampa enra egunu fufu su ye man pa ahwema na somche Legon City etwemeka bakwa onso Antimi Asante nti we week 5 of the Ghana Premier League ne de hunsun so na team seja nyame adoma nkoma aka wachire besa de aba bio nhye no so ma me say 1xbet have always told you that betting is better than soccer. We bet they trying before. We didn't before trying to come be adinu kuma sa no manum catch up with phone and for say we do hu jima na we try ye say be betin sabo but bet with money that you can afford to lose. Sikayira enya we any editwa bet. Safi so je fast mixture infections edu no. Gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis white fever na so di po naturally edui unoma boa proper hrawa no mrebo ho ema utimi edi encheneche. Sedimo gel and roll on. You can air your pain. Few pampas so be pimo na se tu asisi home na bo maniama 1822 ye de ma obetia friend pen for 0208219129 na on Sedimo gel and roll on yehwetwen komo na mremfi Azar Paint since 1921 and Azar group e de Azar Paint papa e by ka Azar Painter say eteso echisa modiada so on sabetia ka paint bi krachefo asebenyado modia kadu ne kada on nei ma san ka Azar Paint papa na abai osaka bi beboa dan si wa hyerete setwa na boa emaniama etia kwi wemu adama anom techiri boa men no penso dia okense mu sempa ensa kan no etime jawo within the Enoch Kwesi Wolanyo Wallace agudie catch back up the only nomenclature professor's degree in sports the Al Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and I'm of course evidence-based presentation etime jawo meso so de nkomo no edoso yeba wache ene doso bo modianda so obekoso am afidie no ada Adom TV Adom TV bedwumdwumedie so and it didn't shaka no 18 santo so dia bro. The act of being a good guest is to know to say goodbye.
Ye behim mwakwaba shonko ebe ya Adom Praise 2022 Paris Dome Joel Medina sister Sandy B hey guy and ye be nyamia style bia bi pa afa kame ho na ye rem ye hwane ye kwaso inside ye nchechen komo akaba shronko ye nkotia ye rem wa ye Paris Dome mene kwa fo ba chechen komo omni so ade huno ade an no mo expect me ani omo chechen komo hello mommy good evening akwaba
yeah yoba
o me da se mama me da se ene ade pa na chen wo ba Nigeria we
oh it's I say baba to me rade in the nyamesum part of nyamesum na me agree so did now I found it right to be here together with the saints who praise the come and worship the Lord
hey na do ye oda adena do ba ha say me behim na me aye bia maye afia kwa ba beto ye enti e behim enyina me aye acha mungina muhimame hello adena do ba hanyum me buy be that I don't be first time I be buy so many achipa what we see where how many months
3 months leave because apostolic from to 11 assembly but me ma eyawo no en sebi so entenam se me ba na ma be nyame aye sa se de nyame ye no en oye ɔsade nyina mu no yɛmfa na ase yɛmfa ama no nti nna nwam wɔ ha na ase ɛna mede ɛma me nam
me usa with that bill no some passion you made then our my
ase da for real na me de ba ye se onyame ahwe yen so na chese or how mo amane mu de to yen 2022 nyina coronavirus ba ye yi ebi anka yen de e kan ye kra no ye ho ato ye ma yetimi sori nante kope bibidi se bi nti ene me de me ba ya me pese me danase so wan fa tan fan ye man ye hanna mama ne se sis bebre na Yesu Kristo ayama yenti no na me de ba yenti aseda nwom ti wa wo ha bia ene wa wo nam kwan so ba de ye beye wo bi ha bia no fa ho hyem ye bompa no aboye to ano ato bi wo be kofie na wo dadwen ne de e chese ha wo da wakoma so bia na Erade Adom na wa yama.
I can't wait to see you perform.
Yeah, looking forward to it.
No, for there. Miss Jackie, I'm in the church. My friend called Welbeck Kofi Ampedu, any director. Yeah, no, so that's media so boss.
Yeah, medo.
Nah, at the end, there hits won't pressure where you many man.
Oh, normal. Yeah, you man no. Oh, normal.
In a crowd, no more matter tickets or more my baby Adom praise. A day now, will catch or more and anyway.
You should respect God. Of course. It's loaded with the presence of God, and basically, that's what it is. Yes.
That's it. Adom praise.
Yeah, be him.
Auntie Harriet, head of makeup, and on also her Auntie Harriet. Adom praise. Yeah, be him. Still looking young, mommy. You need a head of makeup. Me who send you now temperature aquabashon.
That's it.
And you marry artist, no be on the first stage. I'll be back before what she SCST no honey a day. Pressure net to say what her.
Oh, pressure net the annual she and Casa. Utumi who so be ahokekano like a woho be a person yene de intent and any mu glow near dear and sana you know on Marco stage into Yegusara ye
ha preparation to sign up pressure
the view when you see our listeners the viewers dear you know man age but I'll see a cool ya mom into ya na mom
because I'm achieve the na mo hwehwe de
ya achieve the hwehwe the same nyamengo sra na be sane woni paso eno an ye hwehwe.
For the sake of people who do not know who you are part of the family. Kindly introduce yourselves to them for me.
All right, I'm Atuakwa, and I'm an MC for the day.
What are the expectations tonight?
Trusting that it's going to be a greater edition. I mean, over the years, every edition of Adom Praise has been an improvement upon the previous. Last year was wonderful. We're trusting that this year will even be greater. The Bible says that the glory of the latter house will be greater than the former. So we're trusting God for some wonderful.
Wishing you all the very best. I know what you can do. Go and spoil there. Adom praise.
Yeah, be him.
Adom praise.
Yeah, be him.
Right. For sure, when expectations for tonight. If a grace, they know what they bring.
Mommy, like I said the last time, no, I can't promise anything by the strong presence of God. Ain't no media so be or what the jam idea. They will not live the same. That's all, yes.
What the back and phone air hostess want to bring me there?
I
can't wait to experience. Higher. Hello. My videos here me fe pandi am dress mo chene aden mo chaklipo mo me twa bi wa ha ma me ne why.
I show you.
Yeah, expected day.
Oh, and then nyame wasane wi ntino. We say we prepare ye to receive whatever is in store for us.
Stay fair. Who you fair? Go for social him. For home for any grace in yame any when your mama was it. CP. If a grace and no, I should change come. Me wa fana kasene. Oh, ofa passion na pu me.
Boko.
Obe mama fache no ho we stage so ne ana wo mama fache.
Wa be baso.
I. In fact, for picture when in pound or her comments now for picture ma or more who say experience that into no more when in pay into no day now they brain anyway.
Oh, said yeah, I'm expecting them say yeah the Nyankopon asem ne nhira na brain nipa. Praise be anua ye be free mu a nhira mam. Anu ti nhira ene nhira nko a.
And then you may Perez music for showing him message me now more through you so about me no be kasapa patrol as na be kono day now my
say oh shanya me him now oh train bibia I mean and therefore for tuning him and I'm sure God will answer you. I mean if a grace is here So, yeah, every fire. There's too much fire in the room. Yeah.
Multimedia kwanso na te ho no nti uyi om fime be ha me so ti no you ready train na.
Yeah, Ija.
Ti wo perform we am start to watch. I don't praise.
You could him.
That's right. Yeah be him. Hi.
That's Sunday.
Hey, now why so one fine chair you make.
It's Adom the green and
oh. That's what way. No, they before we say, why was so unrest? Aquaba shock.
Yes, Yamisha.
Bonnet off for me. Bonnet off.
Could be premier, Onyakupon, a beshen when you so what a big God.
I don't come to big God.
God, oh, mere words can't describe the God you are. You be him at the Ashayus when you
We are all looking forward to a great show tonight. First and foremost, most of us experiencing Travis Green. Live in action, that's what I said. But this is the time for him to perform for us, live for us to enjoy. So we are looking forward to a great show from him. And aside that, all the other artists now coming now, all of them are good. So we are expecting to say, Nana Julia, on back and one boy, and I to hear him.
We are expecting nothing but excitement and happiness from the patrons.
I don't praise. You see, him, your headline arts, na minsa akano, your Travis Green, finally, Nuenya Bagana. And I'm saying the first time, or Bagana. Welcome to Ghana. I learned it's not your first time.
Oh, no. This is home. My wife is Ghanaian.
Ooh, is it? So this precious gem is for us. It's our people. Hello, welcome to Ghana. Kwaba.
Madasi.
Right, Akwaba.
Madasi.
So far, so good. How is Ghana treating you?
Oh, I love it. The food is amazing. The culture is amazing. The music is amazing. The people are amazing. And this is home for us, so we're glad to be here.
What has been your favorite food so far here?
I love the jollof rice. Yes.
Ghana jollof to the whole world.
Me love coffee. I love the hot chocolate as well.
Yes. Take a lot of them to USA.
I will.
Expectations for tonight. A lot of people are waiting for Travis Green.
Yeah, it's been a while. I haven't been here since pre-pandemic, so I've been looking forward to coming back home. Excited. I got the crew with me. We're going to have a lot of energy, a lot of passion. We're going to praise God and light it up here in Ghana.
Are you going on stage with him?
He generally calls me up, yes. Can't wait to worship and praise with my brothers and sisters here, lifting the one name, the name of Jesus.
I'm so happy to have you here.
What was that?
I'm so happy to have you here.
Oh, yeah, we're glad to be here, man. Ghana is my first, 15 years ago, this was the first continent I ever came to. The first country in the continent of Africa was Ghana. And so Ghana has a special place in my life. Married a Ghanaian. My father-in-law lives here in Accra, Dr. Ya Jamfi. And so this is home. We're here with family, and we're going to have a good time.
Okay, let me tell you the secret. The song people are waiting for is All Things Are Working for My Good. That's the song they are waiting for. So wishing you all the very best. So Adom TV, Adom TV.
Adom TV, you are to wait.
Adom TV.
You are to wait.
I don't perform here now.
Minyayanka.
Serious.
Me Adom. Any many so. Asase afi di besi ene. Na ayemesa. Edenya me ase.
Kwaba. And why pa na we expecting say na Travis Green and Chichin Komo. Why na we expecting no performance and you?
Mato me bu ase atia Jontofo ni nyina obi anyom baako me show mu nyina nim.
Na anyume why pa na we expecting a performance?
Na dia unim say Travis Green o ye nipa. I like his songs. But na dia the me person o mama koma epie mintwi keba ba here makoma be pia bonten no aye PSA Esther na me kan so obebo no nyom no a why me yie no me the $5,000 e buy na makotru agune so me woni mre obi sika onya gospel artist
and you may artist be bring na but me who say Travis o inside on patch wine pan na we expecting no perform
o nyina Kofi Pepra be sem wo ho hwani Chale obo ma bare de so far mo ayi de hu say spirit no wom
onya ma pan be na twen no
me hwan mo kra epie ne wani tua ohima Mercy Celestine Jakalolomi ene ebro ni Travis Green yes and so winners my dear one maybe there why your and if a grace so same and you know many aje pa
you want to dancing shoe now why pa na we expect the performance
me there so winners na Yo, we walk around now. Abaya.
Having fun.
Yeah, I'm having fun.
And your mommy was sorry now. I don't pray. That's right, man. I say, hello. Are you having fun?
Yes.
Why now? We're expecting
Travis Green.
That's right. Oh, we're trying. Why? I don't pray.
Yeah, baby.
Mama, man, who's our spirits in him, pal? Man, who's our spirits in him? I don't praise.
Yeah.
Wanyaje, are you happy to be here?
I'm very happy to be here.
Oh, our spirits in him, I don't praise.
Yeah, baby.
Me was say Osebo my skirt. I said I don't want farmer.
Osebo skirt no. On say I sorry I am firm but I call ya no dey be there near the edge.
And why partner was expecting a performance?
And maybe some people Travis Green and also Celestine. Yes, any Ghana for now was I
don't pray.
Yeah, but him.
Yeah. Travis Green, I
don't pray.
Yeah, but him.
Too much. Expectations for tonight.
Papa. By the time I baby and uncle for I come as Swadi Radia
I don't pray. Yeah, but Travis Green is not so no Travis Green. When you are
so just the entrance no crowd, the entry no crowd. And so marvelous such as every
when you are so far so good and
oh, be fine. I was saying I go home. In fact, you know, baby, about to feeling no, deep. I'm up for I'm up for so wrong.
My partner will hear the no guys and Macanimi ranching.
Make sure Macanimi ranching. Or him a Messi and a PSCS. I'm sure my name, yeah.
All things are working for my good. It's intentional.
Hello, Pacho. Are you having fun?
I'm having a wonderful time.
Aside Travis, who else are you expecting?
I doing dancing. But that cinema spent by Saturday, yeah.
And for 4 channel
to him.
Almost we a showman. It's an expectation because a lot of people are waiting for you.
I say atmosphere not charging that. And you know, count.
30 years of doing this.
Charlie, it's been like 30 years plus.
30 years.
I tell you, Charlie. And here is you 30 solid years of ministration. We go under, we come up. It's just the grace of God that holds us together. And but it's just that God actually keeps us together. That is it. That's all I can say.
Of a matter feeling so, you're feeling now. I'm so
and yeah, now I am one. I'm okay. We see time. At the time, anything about the sir. Naga send a ufufre tiwu no. Aga afena beba tiwu. Wo say abolo Brian bo. Na yesre ye. Ente ye adumfo na ye. But send a be adum be che obias.
Adom Praise, where your first time, how was the whole feeling and vibes?
Actually, this is my second time. That's right. And you know, Adom Praise the debiano, ye himunti, it's always the best. Until you know, I see the bia, it's necessary, the bia necessary, yatwaso.
Adom Praise.
Yeah, behim.
I say, how was it all? The experience Adom Praise 2022, how was it?
It's always amazing. I mean, Adom Praise never disappoints. The lineup is great, and the turn-up is also amazing. So, just every time I'm on my ministry.
Adom Praise 2022, Paris Dome, Joel Medina, the sister Sandy B.
The Gaia Queen was Joe Boza because last week Friday no the Gaia Queen ebo ejuma pa me did say mini massage yanka mabi mini yenso but baby no na me hwese betimi ama scan akoye bia but the person me can say ye do bibia say in fact my ama na ye fedodo my ama na abro sododo me ehifo asem na me ka Ghana fo asem me ka Adom TV ahwefo asem me ka Adom FM tiefo asem ye nyina ye ka bom e ka say multimedia Adom Praise 2022 Festival ye damasepa the Gaia Queen and asachewa GSS no the course so Paris Dome Jowulu abonten so went to me ama the course bi no na wabu na siesin e de ama no nti Sister Sandy Mpacho good morning na Joe Boza no ebusia matna si na eye enyumeko we adaroma and St Andrew Senior High School say emfa ho say na no EMS no onyafo no bi wonbejewo because to the be exam no na amwa but utin wusa enti santete na opese wonya ho nimde fa apomode ho no wo ba wonbejewo ntifo ani tre ho na fake orchestra paste so bebo ama mofra no se no enkonkoba se wonbenyi no no ofere wonse ho na memo amane se kedemin syrup no so wo ho ma mofra o se to the be o hie obi ba se abofre de onyi ntobrum abofre de ne ho fepa secret no wo ho ahofe no nyame timi de ma na so to da bi akade bi ha so bi say me what talent no wan ko school so wo de tan na me talent uko school kan ho a anka talent na aye talent so sa na kidi me ne tie bebi ma o mane nom na mofra no o mo ho enye nika wa da romanti ye wa kwanya se ye ba bedi enkomo in fact meni aje kakaka pa we aso de man kameka se fansambo si asofo kakaka pa o sa de na ya taye aso de mu no ebi na menya ya ankame yo ha ene say Dr. Anigezi e wo UK ohima krum e se yo hin krum ohe Charles krum na aje se yamfre no obeje yenso enti se sie ya obi anu dem moaye ye ho yira yen ena enso yen ena ketua ne ento so enema ne bo no atoso anopelti akontabo bia na mpadu ye wachi ho a ka no anka ofele no se 320 usahe na no ko gina ho no ena se o mumum because why ne 322 no ready na ni ba ne ho so no ya je na 1002 Ghana cedis. I mean how it is even say 1002 no na show ho for the day okotofu afrim wo de bia ma oba na kodwom prepaid no asa water bill ni wo ho ansa na wo mo so a wo na made achi wo makọ homa bo hye obotom nti obaye o madom aye o madoyen kakaka that is wo de ni nyina ama fuel station ho no amafo aye hye nti Dr. Anigezi say sa ho hihi abremu nsuma ba Ghana nti ade na me studio na me ne mo medin komo Dr. Nyame Shawate meni ahwefo ye da sepa ye ni so pa sa bibia onye ho adaje na nka wona waba wo kwan na wasa atoe wa ha nti ene me hu said Dr. Anigezi ade bia me ne bonko mo no ona to me che Dr. Kwaba ye de nyame asese ko be de twam ko ne ba bi na che se yetimi ya family ho na me bo a ye da se Doctor said me bobo su ye nye fedia grow because baby obiti no ne kwan ne nadwuma mu wa enye so open saa but baby ewa no ho na dan na efu but transportation no ewe no pa obi okro no kwa no te onyanye family man na so okekasi ania obi de man wo kwanchen ho no ma obeje eba ne saa keta hyehyɛ ne ho ahwan na ye ka no ase entuda but wanya ne saa so a ono so survive ye ho yira yen ama ya adwen mu kura ye hyedodo adwen so ekosoro sana bone ya about you bone no so ba pe asembesi to ye for why he pacho ye nya de
good morning to you and to the whole of Ghana and also Adom TV viewers
obiajo
every time biano moneme wo ho
yes yeah that's the bia na yo because nka na akodi nko in fact ye ni mabinu mu abrochira say there be had a time anytime I had any time on to obe frena if you for kra won come ache And so nka wo baby a wo ye wadwuma. Also so time corona bi na wo de adwuma ho. But I just say am fro. Wa bakra wa sa betoa ye. Ye ni so pa nya.
Da shi bebre na asem no nyina na wasam ne app no. Se ye nyina ye bia. Sa ahohiahia or how atete nyina no. Even though it be a situation ain't change, now so you bit me a manage.
Okay.
If you say enye ne na make say recession aba and I say ahochire aba. Ye mu bi o ha ye nyi akoye nim kakra nti ye hu recession bebre. Se na wo kan be wo UK maybe by an ending. Me kura make say me ba school na fathers 4 ewo ho e committee suicide because of their na air course we juma semene ade nti. Yes. This is not the first time. But I think say the here meka kese pane our attitude towards their air course no.
Okay.
So me catch you say me ti hey me share news for about a week obejedi.
I didn't.
Me nka say mo bia and share news but it's how eniema ye feed ye ho. What we take in. News here papa me nka say maintain news. But I say one kasa obisa on say a day na me ya and I say what do I bring into my life? But you find me make up for if I introduce certain things, then I mean introduce about my life, my mommy stress. If you say news here meeting, the same old. To say petrol cost, dollar na cost, pound na cost, we are cost. Obi baka say I said doctor we dey wait for UK abanti sa na obeka. I mean, more example. Last year, me buy no, now me to cement 32 cedis. Okay. One bag. This year, me to 77 cedis. Okay. It is a Mrs. Sensi cannot cry difference ben the womb. Mrs. Sam, me sa tonyama. I just want to give an example. Say, mamun jeans so be wo baby na wabana.
You can say ya tamon count. Say,
yeah, recycle. A friends, a prime minister cry recycle. Easy. Baby, easy. Okay. But it's about how you manage it. So metna ho na de bia obeka say niam yedin what can be we are feeding the brain bibia ye kama ye ho or we say to ourselves all the time register subconsciously the brain will pick it up it is that negative information no ebi ohonoma bisa won say recession is start be say beginning of the year and as ahochiri start here. It's what you say, that means that we are magic bia. Okay. Emma, we are alive. Okay. So what is that magic? It's a no say, hey, me brain so metiase. Maybe I will back so na sebe de cabe brain near there. Ekano, you give yourself time to pay. Into this is the time I say offer penny people back as a main trust way. So all ways of managing and budgeting. Into about budgeting say near be wa e hu here ebia nebia me be juma. Say me fifie be say 6 o'clock na bibia me fifie traffic no me nemu sa bia me kwakoda ntem na me fifie bia half 5:30 and no traffic ne bi ni me go say o petrol no use more cuz won tina traffic mu enche and then me kra me ye bi which are short because the more we traffic no more na we consume fuel. Another thing so ni say bia so bi ti ben na mo ye adwuma e ben mu a mo betimi aye ye friends a couple where mo share car and as be ankola no ko school a e bia nipa ba ko de omko a neighborhood also omko the same school na school e ben ya it's about adjusting our lives. If it's a situation no wuntimi won say edru baby a niam bi ohonoma you don't have control over. We can only control things that we have control over. To say bia mesi anope me pa me didi me pa me didi me control over that. But in Yamabi or economic situation, we are mushia any abanesa. Into then I may meet me survive. And I'll kind of doctor to Kwayaba. Okay, economic way in ya, then I want to take it. I don't know why you said I've got to survive, I've got to live. Mean to me, their air cost will be as air affect no. And no ni idea de be a no. And we should try and reduce and I say refrain negative conversations. Okay. Inti uwo environment bi na dia omuka ni say enyo ebi kura wo enye but eye ma wo kakra. Okay. Eye ma wo kakra. So do wo di wo akogim inti no ama bibia ekos inti na me ka bibi say me say no me ntie news for some time. And yes me pese me hu di ekos. So say ebeboa wadwen. Eboa me in this situation no. Eboa me pa inti nkofo me ba nkofo say oh ebi mu tu kwan na wo de wu ba na me say me de me pega na pa me ba so far me nije am say me say oh I even eat once a day. Me did it once a day. How me nya body way me did it once a day. And I'm comfortable. peace of mind bibia enema bi owa ehun hia menye
okay
me feel say enema bi owa ehia se meto a mento
okay
wo hu se bia wutua rent ana se bia mortgage ana se bia wodan wuntua hye wo ho a ese o calculate say monthly ahina metua okay me pie me dundum bibia ka fridge ne niam needs to keep running so it's about readjusting our lifestyle and things we do first na me kwa bonti enwumre me no nsapa how about reducing that as well because I know so edisika no call ebia me smoke na me vape emfaso wo so na because the thing is affect your health cry it's most of eniama na ekoso no edin but so yetimi train ye ho yetimi sisa niama so we're changing both the physical and sana ye changing mental way no and then I'll bring something is like changing the cognition ye changing adrenal into no me fan so be called therapy and because it be a cognitive behavior therapy into wo cognition wa adrenal negativity na wo de ahye na no ye ne wo kasa te say bi na ye part of therapy said then na me ya sa de ebeko me to be in control the ekoso but I can control me. It is obi tete when I say be obi aware I'm drifting off a little bit but now say oh na me kwa am say na me am say I cannot change you but I can change me. Will I allow this person to hit me? Remember na bomb me. Remember na treat me bad. Remember situation na ewo economy no aha me. Oh me gata block in ni me area. Say me complain then na me yeah okay me arrange with Politan. Man ka say me clean me gata say ne be me feel be clean. So what can we do ourselves? Ebamo enya ahoto. That is what is important.
Enti anopai Dr. Anigezi abwera ye fiefie mu boa ye sene we a yebetumi adwenama ye ho. Na wo dwenama ho so na e ya adwenpa ba ko woka de oka ye nyina no two key point bi amema fa free no say. De ye de ya no ka no e register wa ha. Enti de wu no wani so a wo de wa no ka wa dwen kire wo no sa na wote ye. Nti so obi ase ayeden timi de adwuma na ekra kokko no kram de kosi kwan ho asese ye nto obi ase ayeden mi ho asada na wanko no sada no na nka nkrofo betokoko pa eye wo ha and then second one so awokan ye say Dr. Anigezi say ye Ghana fo ayete he obi ase self contain na self contain kura Ghana fo no obi a bayifu nti obi banko obi fie nkodi agrobi o Yesu say so maame mpanifo bi ma aduane di ya se ne wo mo abaifo so mo nya abaifo ne de tete he na say ayesisi self contain obi nko obi fie nkodi agro obi mo obi ba aduane ni oko school kura no futu obi odi ato akwala ne timu no obi kura de ne nsa koka ne bibia ebi odi be yi akoka na na ebi be den no adwane obi ka no obi de obi ba ko school na yasetene ma ye hombre
yo Epacho explaining self-contained obi one die
obi a wo to say abrochira obi at an apartment
right
obi anko obi ho ye ha no
first nanka families together
first no nanka compound house wetimi wo mami we fufuo wetimi suma we nu aduane ne mami wo ho ne mami ni ho timi because yesu so no mami de esija so kra no mami na ne de awie no nim se wo mami wo fufuo ni but obema obi ni de na edikan ni nyina ye didi enya bayi se me wonso na mi nim de I don't know but the person che futu sempa say anka bia ye te multimedia ha kokomlim ne hei na ye nyina ye ho yira ye me woka we woka na ye di ye ho nkomo nti sese no me metu kai traffic no fuel no ni ade na me fa misika kakra ma so fa bra ba ko bia week we parent ba ko enfa nkola ne nko the following week we di nkola ne konanka ya just ye ho ye be dan say because you see it Ghana do bia e baifu
yo mate waka simbia menye sofo ba men so meka bibi say wujidi say wosum nyame or whatever faith that you are in and you have faith and here say oye baifu onye baifu nyame be na wosum no God is greater than any other power internet says so would feel say obi de oba na ikono okuku ne de na wujidi no eno ehia say obekwa sorry because so oba no wo sorry anopa and you soak your child in the blood. I'm a Christian and say that God protect my baby. You know my circumstance say minisika ni bi na so abofra so ko school me neighbor wo car or ko the same area into your family banenko what other power me feel say nyame power so chen wo parent no wo protection na wo ba no so no into all kono just for the fact that your child is in that car God will be with your child. No, we have to build our faith and focus on so I'm not going to say what I'm saying is let's rise above that. Because because yama I'll use this word loosely superstition no adoso nti ye de achechire ye ho ama yankasa ne ye bre say me neighbor work or ko baby obetimi ato petrol me so me salary so me ntimi or ye me favor na me see o bibi say be a neighbor no or chaotic or driver rough and a driver and I say bibia you have to and your friend you have to risk assess ebia ne driver bia no bi or dey or normal sakakra na we shall be or you pedophile or abusing colania there don't do that but say you'll be a woo nims or you safe be a matna send your working matna for so many years and colani need together say why not me we used to do that let me neighbor you know a bit or anopa ye driver the enko and you may not almost driver at the abefi it is our system way and yet and in the start here a boy parents send your baby do a jumamin temp now be save petrol and all of that it's if we go down the faith way in there, and my fellow Ghanaians, she say, "Yen jaisa," because enye cry.
Say say na eti Nti so people eti dey just say that pay airtime man na ye kan no kwa stop it because a fact. Sa na say ye tie. Ghana for no a nanka obirtimi do di na ti kwana fuom. Onantia mouse bi na wakoja na fuom kra no. Say ye suro because yadane awudifo yadane nipa bonefo afenso yasada ne boni ayefo if he said Dr. Negezi me come sure say obi o ha na koma mu ye owo mobro hu obi a so say ne ho yira no ono owo anko betumi diama but at the end of the day no ode kwa akoma ono ne obete wo na chikura no nti ene na ne egunifie na epra na apro and also wo
I think so sorry to interrupt you one of the things so American Ghanaians would say you nim thank you me da se kapapa inti ema enkrofo obi o ha wo kan ya bia no the text thanks after all that bia ohia moa bi ana bia ne ho akire ni bi na woni na kasa ana wa mane bibi obi are not the WhatsApp ana so ohia mbo the WhatsApp no dey frill see these in yaman kitinkiti bi ho aye nim say important say wona wo hia me na wona wo pese me yese ana ma yese ama wa wo the free WhatsApp and now they can thanks or hi. And no crana see me antana ba me crana doctor cry my friend one kasame ho ana wanye say what the WhatsApp now what the WhatsApp me and me give you free service and made any hi excuse me say when yanku to pay me na wa friend me sorry fantineba when yanku to pay him na friend hi you know these are some of the things that we need to learn about etiquette say woni onipa dealia and no na ma sa niama nkrofo ejai papa yeyi nyeni nyina but in most cases even in my case and few people I talked to you do this for this person we are adia baba can say thanks and on kasa humpo so why should I bother but very very common in this country obi bi say doctor adenti na free hana say one person better me say because most of the time no they think say some of us now just about talking. As some walk into my exam. But when you say I talk for a living, baby, I mean what were UK no? Me yejuma prison. I talk for a living. Okay. Into I am my job. Me better not say me Jessica na bibia education to my nation and to anybody who is interested. But so I have to charge you because but we assume said the fact say nipa na bana wakasa na anti bibi o hia bia no bi okra sema emfa nipa the professional okra no de ko hanadwen and it puts people off. These are some of the things that we need to learn. Say you know, medase, and I say me pacho, and all those things no need to be part of us. Now, thanks ne, WhatsApp ne, text messages are yet they send this and microphone, and I hear people say it all the time. And yet, it is a way one of them. I'd advise that people stop.
Okay, yes, sir. Why and chain? If say, obi shayan or paya, one will say, so umuadio, so when is shadio, say one no castle, say a neo. What's this here, baby? Out in depression, actual. And so, no, unya quenya. So, unya quenya ko share, baby. Unya quenya ko ye bibi kakra, but one no casa. One ye, I had to say one somano. One somano. And I ebinum so ha. When you say school, no, ebi a query, and a jumano was yearienti, obvious. There be oh, and ye obvious oh, and cabinum certificate in them for a decade. Okosia de usia ye nebi into winya akwanya ye buade into once say be say bosumi ni kra ntimi nko salon ko hohoro tirim ohu wani anso ade na anu de bi no a wunyae a ukọ sa salon ko hohoro tirim no won se otirim bon wani anso ade so ye ka depression no say ya so ye attitude ni ye bi ka ho na no obi hu mobo e de owo bi dum afa crowd akodi nkomo say ne ompe no e no de ama me won say wanya biewu eti say ba ko na aka na say o ba kra ne hu say na oba no because eno anaka because unya biewu nso na che say enye ni nyira na ye sika na ama ye ho akire ye yu ye ya so ye ni ye
behavior
and ya how so ye correction no Dr. Nigezi me wo brothers
mama class me serious picture enro na me call memorial service page ye bon komo ana obi say okoso okoto fish na make so na me clinic tilapia na etwa me ana obi kana say na wo still a wo clinic fish na sem bi eto me na ni pakro no my sister na ono so ye doctor into you say okoso okoto fish na o catch obi say me okoto fish na me enyumre say me clinic na wo so na me wo da so cleaning fish let me say let say my sister say na Adam what's wrong with cleaning fish I say and then mo ni mie na mo cleaning fish na me say it just say so these are some of the things we think say I remember one time painting na obi catch him say doctor we won't paint Ghana there we paint na me say exercise mommy so we've got some
na o paint wow
na me paint outside yes I was painting outside in my porch I was painting and I enjoyed doing it so I was painting and yes bia obi beka say ehia wa na bibisa no I just enjoyed doing it and UK utimi wo paint because wo pen send ya wo pen na obi beka chem so I say the Ghana de obi hu wa enim guase say enim guase ni den I do my flowers my plants I do everything myself enim guase ni den so you see it's our attitude towards things say we have to pay for everything you don't have to pay for everything and I didn't we en crampo no exercise mawas and wo ye no again drifting up wo ban susu sua say mommy or daddy is capable of doing this I didn't say that mean to me ye pese ye tua for bibia so obi be ye man obi ebi ho o so utua ma obi carry wo bag so utua ma obi ye say what about you and no ni ye attitude wo kroma ha say bibia ni ye feel say e below us or beneath us no may sure say Nkrofonim say UK friend say Prime Minister Yoko Boris Johnson ejimo riding a bicycle on am crying so obi a collapse see no I attended to Prime Minister do you understand so yankasanka no we need to assess ourselves say if we are say din na yen so ye ka ho bia na
and also ya sembisa we bisa enti buafa madam na ye boss ne say na ye ba kumienu bi o ho na nka wa wo ye a anka ebo no nkasa sika no ka kafie ho ka de aye bibi fufuro enti emse nuti a watwamu an se kokoti no yente so doctor sesa na pese oche and na no pay adomonline.com yes say former MP bi akotena trotrum eda adomonline.com as news Boris Johnson na no not bicycle so enti ni ewu ni no enya ohye de ulem na fa bitu baby na kurabi na obi anu dem no de bia na wo from obi ntia se ye Ghana fo ekura obi anka ncho so ebe fo beka se skedro una onim Dr. Pacho ye pon enti fa bibi ja yen
yo anope meka se me da CP so se wa frɛ me mama ba dia meka che me nuanom Ghana fo ne se minim se eden ye nyina ye nim se eden pa nanso one kasa check wo lifestyle na budget according to what you have kakra na wo no chotro ni nyina na say lifestyle na wo lead you're spending according to the amount of money that you've got is very very important inti chotro ni nyina na hu se bia month say na menya inti den na metimi cover say yes na ebe boan na say information bi so wo na wa wonim say that information we emboa wa say na me catch o media no mintie news because emboa me but men kase maintain news but filter say na be ya wan kasa so no well-being no ebeboa
jo doctor here that's why enti ano pay ensemisa no say enkomo be na ya odi ehefa na ya wotena oto de ewu hia ana ma me kira diamond abotire wenti onso kwa akobobi mabo because esese me de ba adwuma na wo so wo kwa adwuma na me dem ye last week o ma say chinchim no foforo because my first ka foforo anko ye foforo na wo so asem ne tenteni ne tietia ne say aye du lame eden na so du lame a ebe ye den so enye den bebre yaka de ya chiro Dr. Negezi ne da na se say ye ntwa tikita ama no na oba ne kwan enso ni ha o ye ho adaje oba ye nso wanya ye ho adaje Mr. Happy birthday we enkoma Gimbia Maza wo UDS Yankpala campus Tamale honorable Alice Kupia ya say o happy birthday and happy birthday we nso fi honorable Asiedu Honkoma Abeidu Joseph aka Gabi UNDC secretary Oseshia Kontomra constituency Nyame Insha Gabi Intimpa Chow obi bia wonso na ye wa woda no happy birthday to you Boameniena Dr. Negezi ase na efine ko ne dule mpacho brothers na mo se depression ni ahochire nti sebi mo ho ntimi nsore no mo ntwitwa na ema biso oni mo bo atwaso oni msi atwaso oni mapa atwaso na kakra na ebeka abotum no fato ho na akọ sister ba akọ no ho a etumi asore no wa power no anya ni je Dr. Mboa
ampa
ya pon ye dase
Yababu nyina wache sama mawina akwa babie famra bedwam dwumade so on Adom TV ene eye adwada ye fiti na otwe ofro ase megide se ne wanhye woni bia nyame Adom ti ebebem ede amount happy birthday enko fama ko esuman at the office of the president and your birthday bro happy birthday kese pa nyame shira no onyo kese kopem se obeye kese pa ya fada se kese ko ma hyper plus mixture da bia mekato se edure ne aba eboa ema ye immune system no ano aye dia kode etia ya wodu a eba ye nipadwem di se ya de be na eba onya hyper plus mixture na aboa ama ahode ne wo nipadwem na no akosue Ghana ba bia 200 bia no okwa onsa ebeka bi ato Franco Trading Enterprise enso eniem ye kan ye se phone papa efie ene hodom phone ya ne bo ewo fom TV antenna baby bia de siese de madam ye akono ye fe bia de udo ni eche Franco Trading Enterprise makachi ewo enkran ene kuma so komo chi obenya bi ato sanso na culture co toothpaste enso eni ye twi ese apo ye se efita ye ni mato so ye ni mai kama kwa dia eye culture co toothpaste era meka fo de supermarket bia beko bia no menka se mepe ade de twi ese keka se mepe culture co esase no ene papa mojadura ye nom de nyina aja tumo eye city blood tonic pebina nom onika kacho wonna embroso wonya kese enso embroso city blood tonic ene mojadura ebo ahyo ni pedwam wa ye kama ema skin color etoso na bia wie peyo ede ma sai mekuna aso asene emye ni pensen nwumade to aso wo badwam nwumade so free sabre ko pensen no krono bebo medin de akwasi ensi abadwafo atenase ya ye babedi enkombo Daniel Ikwate Tachos Glover former MP for Tema East former deputy minister for transport one time national organizer contestant or NPP amonyukuni osanso eye ohene wo ekuapem watenase wo hano Honorable Peter Kwache Aka eye member of parliament madeshe wo Amenfi Central Honorable Kode
Anyaboko Debi
what
Omianka nokre
nyame ahwe so abo ho ba ma de pa achiye
sabi
ekire mada abodwe moje die mafusane
sabi
enye obi na enya ne se ne yenya na wadress ya kama nipa oto watare so ai ne kama he line baba nie na
starch
dia na sie ma ne kama
se wo kase nyame ahwe so ma sabi abodam for so nyame ahwe so ma so ade achi won
obi abedi
na no chese bibia ye ma won
obi abedi
ni tirim kano
okay
enti yeso nyame ahwe me ya ade achi de na so ne ba mko yi ene be ba as we better 6:25 me see normally 6 o'clock no be do a quarter to 8 and me see 6 o'clock me di 6:25 traffic ni krum obi apake de car ayade a significant papa Bedua 6:25, but more than 1.5 hours.
Okay.
So a program which I say it tells you say the economy is grinding to a halt. There's no movement of people and goods. It's a danger.
It's also no because since I run for any cost, public transport, your cost of living is here.
Public transport as way. Yana tembia ya kunto kwa ya binusu ewu we. Ato atwede na public transport ye bo. Ibi kura ahwede ne nkwa ewu. The ban is dangerous, serious. Na mini kai me chia mahwefo me Memphis Central for me chia wo nyina no pay. Na me chia me regional executives as I say omo gina kono regional executive na Tuku ne Charles Edifo John ma omo ebo adwuma ma last election ne kura 4 seats. Yenya 4 kan ho. Okay. Afie so omo sanso ebi ne wo sa gina. Best delegates omo hwe omo a adwuma ho te. Na omo to omo so. Sanse adwuma na ye be ye no nese yi no. Ye hia minus kura, ye hia wo mo a mo akukuduru a omo ye bepenya betumi agina. Na krofo breaking the 8 na omo pede ekoni ade aba no. Ye de omo hwe ho. For you know. Mo hwe na nye sika 7 ade na mo be di akire. Mo hwe yie pa wo mo a mutumi ye adwuma yie. Waye bi da so ye yie a why not? Wanye de yesu dia ene mu boot. Na timichia wongina
Daniel ni kwate Titus Glover my friend commander sheye
nyame adom na me ne di ni ye mami fa akonya weso na menchia wahwefo nyina no pay mechia wososo na nura fiti yawada me aunt former acting queen mother of Toma traditional area and a one-time Progress Party woman organizer. Sabre na shama nyina na dentang na katema from 69 to 72 a jump on yene kuno ye ye memenda na nana ya katanechi enti mame fa kwenya weso na meda head of Yoyichoshi clan ebusian meda mwase meda His Excellency the Vice President meda nase. Saturday was so busy for him, but Onyakwain ebe yena Sofia Kokere College of Education, Omidia anniversary, I think 60th anniversary. And our representative president so Bachuchu of Free on Batama. Yadana say, Yadaura Chairman also smile by the former Speaker of Parliament, Michael Quay. And then you know more Beshre, Yabriwa Nechina, Bushafuina, Yadomase, Yaniaso, and Merepano Yabeba Manaso Makumako. Na yabedon mase ntikakra meka se Ghana dia ye femino se dia yehwe covid a yehwe so a etwomu no yese wo krum na wo bomba ze kru no bo a ebo abebo wo treso okay so wo mpa bo ze kru no bo because wo opposition wo patu bi wo kasa ye di ye ni bibia ye ko ekwan bi aso no ye be di Ghana fo nim amanya hawa na ye fam nyina yebefam enti enye nu de nditi fo kasa ehuru vice president ewo ye friend is saying ogbachechwa ase. You look at the beauty of color and pageantry ye promote your culture me fanfi angno. Oh okay. Me great grandmother of Jelukope for the first time at Santini, for the first time Gamanche a free jurisdiction akobwa for a year festival say I get to say dia from Beninzi ombra. Ya to safre jo mama. Onim dio me yenti osi onko okoyi. And you allow your people to behave like this. Oh yes sir, yes sir. Who evidence say me say yes sir. Mami kama sam me I been you. But who evidence say your mama for echi. Na nyom no yes adem. That's a president so to me am. Please. President me say president Ontumamba Otuka noko Egypt. Yeah. So he delegated his vice president to come. Why did you do that? And the baby president beko vice president who evidence me say your mama ade yengwala wa global. Are we kids in this country? It's laughable. Oh, but I say, it's a woman kind of way. It's a woman. It is a what is all this? Airport in the country. What kind of behavior is it? Laughable. As a man, but because a vice president. But I say,
abaya to abedwafo se yanko United Arab Emirates na yanko se benya fam wo ya ne bo ewo fam ama Ghana adehie na fam wo bo a epeja koslu hwim o ye mam no ano betimi abrase kakra ebi mo erezi concern say enya dia ebe possible more so when my Ghana enso etu fam wo no ebi o koton wo de normal international market price o pe so bi de obetene de so e de amount. Executive Director Edma Institute of Energy Security say ade a enko wiehwe na it require possible kra Ghana for me questions be pray na ye de akwakoje sa reduced fuel that yenya from United Arab Emirates or from somebody as a petrochemical engineer. Do you also share in that same vein say company for kono enya de amfaso bi abaso de Ghana
menia untimu niema o so kashirenye de yakoso mani me obi ani tue o enti menia asem o kae no oma me enrobati o kakra normally ko bi kana sema na me jaye mo ko president ko share youth wo say program bi ase omo hurom no poto ewie ya NDC group na gu hori na ya NDC for the hurom no president e call Ashanti region ko hurom no oko onwani Eastern region hurom no enra vice president akwa gina ya di you ho na akwa politics when we see the best airport when we see the best highways no see we man for no say ntro enti hurom no enti that is the trend I call people are now fed up uti ya ntoto abo ye hurom keka and also ya NDC for the
so force ye ntoto abo. Yes,
when people are angry,
yeah,
you don't discount anything. Now Ghana for a peaceful, they also move home. They are fed up. They are fed up with their lectures, they lies. Near the now can. Am I fed up? You know, can say if the fundamentals are weaker, the exchange rate will expose you. And the CD and a tough. I mean, what are you saying about that? And Juba Jana can say when we see airport, you know, people laugh.
But no kind of any fact.
The factor.
Say yes. Airport voter region.
Temna 3 no see. Temna 3.
But in your first so much see airport.
Also see airport say obi every government. Already Kwame Nkrumah see Kotoka International Airport. E free ho na Mahama abesi Temna 3. So if you are saying I want to see airports all a year, what have you done?
It's not a fact say on average right.
It's not obi see oberes of the day.
Bono Sunyane Airport.
Obi see na wabe to aso wa ye no na wasi. The biggest airport in the country, anytime na 3.
Isn't the fact say Kumasi International Airport Phase 2? Oba one to na JJ mu.
Obi see Phase 1 no. What's Phase 2? Obi see Phase 1 no. Maybe let us face the fact. Maybe all these small airports, Temale, Bahama, yes, or see all airports, all regional. He did. And be aware we no about to us. But the major airports, anytime na 3. It's like a New York airport. And now my and edisika ba but see your boy no be no dey. So you go and stand some plane now say unu see airport unu overhead unu way what see schools see bia man schools o see oba what see.
But be that yanko fuel
about fuel ni abro mu huro mu a na it will continue. Say and this for to me huro Muhammad to me organizing be huro vice president. They say the man is powerful or what position.
Ayade o say so. Ayade o say so.
Now ka say Muhammad na ya they say Muhammad is very powerful. So what you be not to crowd.
Ayade o say so set memufo ye vice president ye president bedru be na devoid of our political stance. Ye be say ye be twintwam ye be huro no. What kind of picture are we painting to the other world?
Water finds its own level. These things no are spontaneous. Yes. Say o ye panyin no anhwe yi a oba kura onye no fie.
As an MPD efutu na be mo yesa no.
O me yesa. Oh, you can't control. Now in Pennyphone, so in your one year.
MPD efutu na be mo
oh, me dem ni efutu am de ma won. Me wo futu am de ma leaders no. Leadership. Omo hwe no omo nya de a amanfo no ho beto won.
But so that we hwe petroleum.
They are just beating about the bush.
Okay.
No, they omo ye we sikadie ni sikaseye. No one saw more delegation of Yahi. We almost got Jamon Baby 30 o. Air ticket, a mu per diem, just a scatter any bino, almost as was shino. Here I started Jom di disca. O me pass here bomb money. Now where are you? It doesn't make sense.
How?
Oh, buy your oil. Your refinery. Refinery is working because if we refine our own crude now, it's going to bring the production cost down.
Now refinery here, President.
Of course.
Okay.
Tor was working.
Okay.
Vibrant. Tor was working and making profits.
And here refinery crude saying under Mahama.
I don't have the figures.
Okay.
No, it was working.
Okay.
The capacity was working. And what ban? Yenya oil ikra ubai oil ni asanso ato ayi bi aka ho rig ni bi aka ho. The production was going to go up. And the sensible thing is say obey arrange either you expand that refinery or you build another one. Ewahi. What guno? Number craft finished products now. Finished products. So you must know say the price will go up because production cost in your transportation in and out now is this a rocket science? The fuel are rising my yentumi e fe de o ko be obi dia so obi aye ne dia ye no o na ko jabe ton cheap dia man crop it doesn't make sense.
Ain't possible.
It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense.
But ain't possible.
Possible how?
Say it me a cut of fuel
from
United Arab Emirates.
Ono de on fane de onye ne dia ye no on fama cheap. Now they are turn high. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't add up. From nothing comes.
But why you be down?
From nothing comes.
Okay.
Do you know? And I be can say, yeah, feel what is behind.
Okay.
United Arab Emirates, for Christmas.
Yeah.
No. That country is a serious country.
But why you be there?
I was there recently. At what cost? At what cost? Do you know
they
the cost?
did it for Asia and European countries.
Do you know the cost?
During COVID era.
I say you know the cost.
But increase the price for America by 50 cents. And I'm reduced the price now by $4 to Asia and European countries. So the possibility of say Ibia Koso Penocha.
Do you know the cost? What went on? Nobody gives anything for free.
Okay.
There's nothing free. United Arab Emirates, recently now quite a very serious country. Everything is business. Everything is business. Who come desert so so alcohol da. You know what I'm saying? Hey, nothing is for free. No one swan oil the amount say je. Na be disika. Unya usika odi sika chidra. O bu adanya gu, adanya abokesi no. O buagu. Akoso aboba free Israel. Dia be sha sase trim. E na be save. Ono onyesa. Now dia o ho akire wa o kono asesa na oil amount cheap. Jeko. Na unya sika wesi no. They don't do that. My friend, if you're a serious country, na can any government can survive. If they know what we are doing back home here, and they make funa ye, o banks or o guni na, am for unemployed. Ah, problem about president we for plane no room at the cost of £18,000 an hour. A country like Ghana.
Dollars or pounds?
Pounds. Pound and we do. Pounds, dollars, $18,000. Okay, $18,000 an hour. Is it a joke? I mean, jokers in this country. Now, presidential plane, you're grounded.
It's now 40. It's been called long distance.
40. Oh, sir, you're repairing. You're repairing.
But all of you see, with sir and Yema way, you know, you're situated in a factual context. Was there a time under John Mahama? Yeah, or they far corner, a free Ghana, a call United States of America.
My brother, who takes what high plane? One kokra, sometimes anqua.
Yeah.
Or go by commercial flights.
You see, the time we say, when we say the argument of say, you were far corner ho, Mampenia ja far corner ho, and Wakako high William Shane. Or my papa on Tiabachim say, you far corner, you could turn to say no, and call long distance. This say a trash shot, which will put the security of the president, the commander-in-chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, at risk.
I see.
So it said maybe be under John Mahama. Yenye beneku for the burn when I saw no dear. Mahama the free Ghana ko US, but still on your own you see. Yenye visa.
That is not we cannot compare the two. But I'm a time you do you and we never heard some Mahama call high plane, a bathroom room, bedroom. Or they tour around the world. How many times did you hear this? Now can crucify Mahama country him? No, he never did that.
One charter flighter?
No.
One charter flighter?
Not that I know of. Not that I know of. Who knew my record nebra? The Jai Mahama or the board. You know, Pesania Mano. No Pesania Mano. Mahama had no baby. Most of Mahama yet. Ya to a betiano, no a baby. Let him rest. I could find an alien near ma and yet, and one ma ye do baby. Ya can't say Mahama. Is that fair? My good friend.
Okay.
Don't do that. Young can't a good father. Only say country initiative.
Okay.
Yes. Mahama be the president be a Obano. Need to scrutinize no. The oyen. Okay. That's what you are to some baby. I am Munja is idea mano. It's not good.
There's no real through chrome in a bay and we job was.
Oh, Minia. Now a conversation would be Diab Mahamaso.
The main family you had but at least it's situated in the
okay. Or to kind of all say okay. Cathedral no Sinamica, Bobadi Kofa Israel, Yabeshaono. Mahama built houses for judges. Uba Buagu. And wakoto abuba wa bude yi na guru akoto abuba de be hyese obesi aso de asiso en na be ginkwa covid by asofufu nyina no na omu dwane ko Mahama na yi na osiye no hospital siye no hodom ko onko pren kwaje enti
ne wa
amasaman yati asofu pon bi omko ho na minister so University of Ghana Medical Center ho na no omko doji
okay
na ye sankwa se de egu ayim papa na osiye no na ye this is how to build a country.
Okay.
Now, COVID, somebody build these things. And now they jail. At any rate, Sputnik no crowd am kotoy no $9 no. Near the budget 19 and no crowd nya faso. So what did they happen? What did they do? BBNC Obina onya Sputnik no. Obina's research here no the brain. And I'm a COVID. What did we do?
Okay.
And no crowd here nya faso chiti airport. There's also be a while. No, be a bear or Jessica for free and unaccounted for. Miniano.
That's honorable. Commander.
Oh, because I interrupted. Said you now interrupting.
I see. When you know more than the show.
I interrupted. Oh, no, interrupting.
Please, Mammy for me, Tanaman Kazay. You're penny to Casa. Casafun, a baby of you. Casafrenia, Quacrenia. New quarter. Mincasa, do baby. I say a Casa won't take a crack.
Commander.
Na me perceive catcher Quachaka say. Ope, your mamma. Obey rebranding then. Yet him say not here. Omunye rebranding son of Mutibia. We have seen your mama in this country. And there is nothing in this Vobeya. From Widi. You become new, sir. But as say your church in your mama, you be churching. Because your mama crying for propaganda, any atro, and from one gun of winning. And your mama to say this guy. Yeni me this guy. Commander, won't or no, won't the Casa a mood to do this guy in this guy. And such an occasion. Ogbechuchu, a great cultural festival of Anglo State. Are yet to inside the Afro president. No say my baby Chikonako Jinamam no mame. Diamum Pesamuti and Una ye catcher mono. Because you have been lying to the people in the Volta region. You have been telling them lies about this government. Everybody there him. Musi yaba ye any ye nyehwe. Any ye catcher mo say. Ebusanfo ya yebio. Na de ndisi fo catcher mo no enya no na mutie. Adwuma ne ye bi aba. Aban entumi nyo be adwuma at the same time. But we should adwuma ya dia public sector. Nurses and nurses, teachers, secret services. And also in my gobi. Angafona, yeah, debanogo. Baby, there are some who have got some of the jobs they are doing over there. Musimienka. Nanya no krase. Kumase airport, yes, here. All comes over the airport. Omuko toy friend is saying torchlight. Aeronautics light from $25 million. I was in Parliament. Missy, torchlight. Never from torchlight. 25. That was the only thing they did in Kumasi.
Yes, maybe the price.
Please.
It be outrageous.
So 25 million torchlight. I from aviation light. I from. You have seen the work that we are doing there. 2015, Mutu Sunyani Airport. Why didn't you do it? 2015. And then, under phase 1, Nanado. any transport minister ye biem nanse na me ko me person passion e be ko ye fe ne sen berekum Mrs. Sunyaye I couldn't get flight I have to come through Kumasi na ye kan wo mu pese ye beka papa who say it etoso biem and education musi ya badi ensi su kwa dan eni yenye hwe obejire kwajaka tie dia meka no listen to what we are saying and ye nukura e wo se bohudro ye mfankyere mo se enye dia muka no eni ye beye we have built if I saying secondary school classroom blocks over 2,500 basic school 800 mumudia mo say every year blocks 28 mudia na mo jayo no ye see 29 e dia kan who science STEM schools na yesi no ebi wa bomusu ebi wa awaso ebi wa passing by one of these STEM school can build about 10 ye blocks musi anu mayenka ye beka pa
ba ko cost say
I don't know how much it costs. I can't give you here. I don't know how much it costs ebiom obenyin akwan ya ye bi papa under NDC mu ye 581 highways mu ye 1613 feeder roads any 2442 urban roads who can win nyina about 4636 in 8 years and akufado mu se o mana atete pansan ye sika 7 year but ye gusu aye chichiro man no aye ye adwuma from 2017 to 2022 aye wo mu ye friend is saying highways 1290.85 kilometers ye 7029 feeder roads and a 3,386 urban roads, a total of 11.6 million, 11,687.46 kilometers of roads. 6 years. I can go on and on and on and on and on and on. Now, when we hear car, what's your mail? And what's your car? Near church and team for ye just here.
Team force come to say.
Please.
Or do a moine.
Opinion. What daroma? Let me be beached. My colleague.
Okay.
Now, essence of your political system, so on person who Ukraine, ye can be a cost. We are not limited to only Ghana. World Bank, as at March, almost yesterday, see 107 countries are going to go through tough times. So 107 countries, it represents almost about obviously 3 billion or so 2 billion population of this world. Out of the 107, 69 countries are going to be the worst of all. 25 in Africa, 25 in Asian Pacific, and 19 in Latin America. Who call Egypt and Nigeria? And yet, easy. Who call Tunisia? It is not easy. Who call Peru? Who call El Salvador? Who call Argentina? Who call Lebanon? Who call Ghana? Who call Kenya? Who call Ethiopia? Who call South Africa? It is because of what is happening of this increase in fuel prices, financial crisis, and food prices. And yet limited to only Ghana. But because our people are bent on doing politics, that's the angle they want to go. Ghana, you would journey work from Nana me free Brekumiba, me tramu abesim, me batano so, and me bat techri. Brodia Kessia, for 3 sets, about 50 Ghana cedis. About 50 Ghana cedis. So there is food. If you transport, no, then I say I understand. Yen now and pretend is a dear cosono, Yanijo, and I say, yeah, we feel it. Yajitum. And Janamupia, Mambeni, air tour, so be ye or bebois, ye wantoyen, and you be near cosono. A bit is a topic I would have to quenya, Wajaka nam tudu, or fitudu, no nam tema, or they do pampram, I've nam a jolukope.
Okay.
Or say, fuel prices never bano. A mine say, or pese, or cope, cheaper prices at the Maye. Said the young being high.
Okay.
And you ask a very legitimate question. As Adam, a beer be dana. Because you gave some countries, Yakohua, Yabudia, Yatitis of Yamaye. So in the interim, no, a man will go and scout. Near say, quite best on your far. Yebenya Sachi Pulibi, Ediaba, in the short term. But in the long term, you know, you look at how we can bring back the refinery back to speed. $73 million of equipment are buying up Baltimore refinery.
Okay.
Yedi refinery no. Now, okay, baby, Osadentina, ye tutu, ye two, if any free, oil. na yen to be en refine wa. The kind of oil we produce here, the kind of technology we are using here cannot process it.
Don't mean process it.
That is what they are saying. So what we need to do, we have to look at the technology that can process our crude.
Under your mama now you're refining.
No, it is not this one. Under your mama, it is not what we produce.
So now you are producing new crude.
We are taking what we got from Nigeria markets.
Okay.
Nigeria market is the shortest transport distance. Crude refining at the time.
Okay.
And
so then Ghana
and
crude.
Ghana crude.
Oh, okay.
It's not Ghana crude.
Okay.
Because the technology to process you need be wa.
Yeah, oil quality.
Your quality type of oil you crude
and equipment no.
And so you need a different technology to process what we have here. So what the president actually say, for ampa bulk distributing companies, BDCs, the dollar is in short supply. Look, almost every month they will need a maximum of $400 million.
450.
$450 million. Bango Mom, 120.
Yeah.
Sometimes less than that. So they have to go scouting and look for dollars from other sources, from the commercial banks. Even though, because I will reserve a dollar as at January 2022, we had reserved about $9 billion. From March, that's what take. So every month, that's a whoop of $400, $1 million, 50, who can fight for it. So clearly, we need to sit down and look at what we need as a country. Opinion, ye take ramana ye wono. So ye insisa ye su any ye banya. And never be saying, and you know, best what to
ye. Moon say taxes are do a gu ye fuo so. At least a buying a gumuka transmatime for at this time. At least kebe me ho ahin hanye. Kakra chen say ye kwakodi enkuma maybe a bit here probably be about say 6 months, 3 months. Here him say within that this month we na and ma bobo koswa sa.
Commander, many we are doing. Say taxes ni bia e wo fango no so no. O sa ban etiti so bi so. Na so be kaye revenue ye generate to our GDP is about 13%.
Yeah.
Domestic revenue. Now, oil no hona yenya 20 bi edika other ones one yes at 13% no.
Yeah.
Now, what should the demands of the country? Minu ka say makoko shaka we kofa ne beso aso.
Okay.
Wo fra Sengrigwa amenfi west a wo ramanso amenfi central edbesin ediako from Sengra to Manso to Bodie ekwaninye. How do you fix these roads?
Okay.
And these are roads are cocoa growing areas and mining areas. Now we are quite bituminous road. And what's a baby is asphalt, a benny check or quanaso. And it's a year taxing any free wa. And if and a unyas can be free at the best simple to do free. And the minimum we are doing. Say, I was say to also say, be the free wa. Now, ye be the free wa. How are we going to generate money to make all this development that we are talking about?
Okay.
What I say, and declare no. Abaying under President Kufado, ye jitum. Se bibia anamon ekono edri. But ye catch it him for say, omuntu mboase. When bia was ye be CC, I be what to do. Ye be say you mano. Edi amom. Omuntu obunya botemo ma ngompede no. Na nye dia kwachaka ni mwen.
But sidani ni kwa just global former MP. Omo East. People Mama ready amount for Facebook message kakra. Emra Salaba ko breaking. We say good morning, Akwasinsia. NPP is the only hope for Ghana.
Your mama is not a
Diaga from Achim Asafo. I was it Honorable Kwache Aka that Amenfi Central is in deteriorating stage. He should wake up. Say Ajingo. The rate at which cost of living is increasing is disheartening, and I sympathize with those complaining bitterly about such a situation. But let's not lose hope in the NPP government as they put cogent measures to bring down the price of food, goods and services to alleviate the current economic situation. Yawuza Edwefe Swami and Ode Ebai. Because to be honest, I will applaud Honorable Daniel Titus Glover that he has this gut and vim in this disheartening moment to be on radio and TV to speak for the government. A more dema NPP for Richard Quay, also the way about waiting to message swaba live on Facebook. Adom TV, Majin Makenkai, Edamashaway. Emma, I call baby, my family, Pensem, Jumedia, so what big dream on Adom TV. For message, ego Facebook, MS, Adom TV, na eja message, all streaming, I say. Ya beji Brenia Kenkai, Ediama, on a walk. It's a transport fare
43. Okay. Minia, I was a comments no, mami, revert you one of them. Yes. Minia Bako, or say a friend Jingo, or some of Central, Egu. I'm a Central near Island, I can the whole country. In the mining Guno, I'm a Central, and yet Ghana, yes. It's on say, I'm a Central, my advice. You say, for pressure onto government, so not your MP. Your MP, Nedumani, Biame, or Hay. I make Kasama by Nachi. See a whole tree. Omra, no me yakwain. Ye school, after all, local government. I assembly or why. I don't fear local problems. No.
Okay, assembly no home.
Me as official member. When they control, yes, Obakan. Oh, yes, Obakan to say a parliament. Obak me a cabi. But there's a government, and the responsibility in a one hole. In Tamafi Central, who side ye one year became. Governor or Tiwana and Onyano, nay, so now do any brave jar one piso. Ye rose, share from a body at your Sancregua. MP now, special base I road no. Government should go for a loan and solve our problems. And now for feeder roads near the Enswa, it is the responsibility of the local government, which is the assembly at this year dano. Mamma, who said ya, ye became not every child MP. Ye rose, my can't want some more parliament, maybe 12 days every time be American. So.
Okay.
Your cocoa mostly be a cocoa farmers. I buy to cocoa in Twin Chaka. I buy to cocoa in Twin Chaka. Is it my fault that I buy to cocoa? Cocoa price a cocoa farmer. Yes, okay. Oh, the analyze a transport fares. Transport fares across road. Yes, my obedient may educate TV constituencies. I will quote. It's a calculation. Minya sat me from one of the media houses, also calculation. Fuel prices, any transport fares, a cost. At one time, 13th July 2020, I said, Baumia described the Mahama administration as the most insensitive. The most insensitive. Say, a price of fuel a cut from 3.3 to 3.4 into most insensitive. 18th May 2015. I said he opines that there should not have been an increment considering the recent hardships Ghanaians are going through. Mahama's government is the most uncaring government that has ever been. I say, in Chile, say, price na across look at in 2015. Fuel price. Omoka say, Mahama, the hardship abamani, then so petrol across road. Now, onina buying
was this before deregulation and I say after?
2015, unless I check, but this is 2015, okay. May 2015. Okay. Yes. And 2016, I say vote for change if you are hit by high cost of fuel. This where the words are no more count. So what has changed? That time, Mahama be free so now 1 liter of now 3.6, 3.7. Now 1 gallon is 14. And they were complaining like this. And 1 gallon, 100 cedis. Litany over 18. So you are coming to explain to us. Why don't you refer to your notes? They're okay, or refer. So Mahama was insensitive. So can't we use the same words for you? Okay, I say, we will continue to remind them. We will continue to remind them. One more money because of mismanagement. And near my boss, corruption, COVID cry, yare cry, abban cry, and profile a bugana for. And a COVID tax, a diaso.
Parliament, a better money, more in your country.
Parliament, that's a parliament to Abba. One was most of the time NDC, MPC walk out. Because we didn't have the numbers. What to Abanso Belusu, ni onim. Walkout is one of the strategies. Sorry, go for Belusu. Fair year by Crawford and never solve a problem. You can't buy one day. Only that day, no, on my nipper back a court. I said not MP. Let's see a short. All we could do was to walk out. Saban to a COVID on the bio. A because you're too abandoned, you will lose. It means you're 2 years from there. Now they should admit that half fuel near costly. You can't blame the people.
And transport waiting.
Transport, of course. Okay. So fuel cost transport. You're moving near packy car so. Me near your tea, or packet the car, on packet the car, and I may be unam kwanswa that the roads are empty because the high cost of fuel. No credit was starting crying my allowance because me free a hair bar. Fuel you see the bar. How many? 3 minutes, eh? 3 minutes. Somebody keep charge of 5
minutes.
5 minutes.
5.
Okay, 5 minutes. But 5 minutes, eh? 48, Casa. 48 plus 5. Remember how far is it? You got like a man, we have moved 353 to
transport fare increment within a week. You increase the transport fare by 39%.
There are some transport operators who conform with the rules.
Okay.
Because I my capacity as the former deputy minister for transport. Here were transport groups here. Say prevailing conditions necessary that will compel transport unions, to meet the minister of transport together with MPA. They will look at the parameters, the factors that can be considered. Okay. So they try to operate on their own level. Problems at the eba. In the media, kakra mekana say, "Ye the first in the bar, it would be bobo on stations, it would be bobo on cars, not the idea. They should find out, the passengers should find out. Now, yama IGP and position to the phone, I will quanozo. You would try to be a stopono. Fiti ha, fiti, if it is a achi mota, Eddie ba pukwase send ye geno.
Okay.
And now fiti achi mota, Yedi ba ufanko send ye geno. Fiti ufanko, Eddie ko nsawam send ye geno. And the enya rate in your fed in your noa, a gadi. Amo obi egi tramaniboa, na ituni nedi. Because more and nobody confusion at the ebano. But we are not in normal times. The ebano, because of the increase of the fuel prices, obi a pese so do break even at least onya bibi kakra also a obetuma dey e dey akoto the fuel. But e ma eno so na yen transport operators no e gibua e ye twamere emboa yen e say dwomfo de ya obi wo oil yeto onim say we yeto no e fe say 2030 Ghana series obe to ho obe kwa ba no in the next few hours na was set to be ye wonu nyina no emboa yen. Let me share video be on social media. In America, you can't buy more than one.
Yeah.
This is me dimechi. So no kotori dia na me didechi or to na mato na me diamano na manga done. That is what is happening. The global supply chain is wildly hit. It has affected so many economies. My World Bank report as media, my main function is how you can educate us, how you can inform us, and how you can entertain us. Young politicians here, let's speak with facts and data. The echoes, what you say? I'm a Vincent Drano. It's on an island.
Yeah.
Ghana. Sanzuna Ghana, so any island is part of the world. The echoes Ghana bako. But omampini demonstrating leadership. Or try say, or my hope, or catch say, they are here feminine and kusisa. A quembia or befaso, a beboye, I'm here filming. Obeyo. But on transit, ni fear at the Jubilee House, and can say, dear, Okomu, on Philippi.
Yeah.
Me, and a family, me to a fuel. I feel it. Lankus and the winning soon. Utogumwa, Uchubaku, Ebekofo. So you need to be economical with the kind of Enyama we in Yano. What do you say, Utofu, Uchim Bebea, and also Chasso? Before you move to a place where Geji asks, baby Amiko, say, I was semicono. What I say, and the best rating for we appreciate. He really appreciate what we are going through. And Quembia also fast war, obey, we are ready to look at it.
Good morning, Akwasinsia. Please tell Honorable Kwache that he should stop throwing dust into our eyes. We have seen the NDC and Jomahama and will never fall for their lies. NPP is the only party that can rescue us from this crisis. My greetings to Honorable Titles, Titu, Owusu, Bempa, Paul. Anyway, what's my greetings to Honorable Titles? We free Osu Bempa Paul from Kwabri East and all day.
Oh, my good friend.
NPP government has disgraced we the die-hard supporters. Allah, we will punish our current leaders. Lord P. Edway free as sinful su and also Ede Ebai. Akwasisi, good morning. Let me applaud the Honorable Minister for Agri, Dr. Afriye Akoto, for his tour. And I believe that after this tour, food prices will come down with this government intervention coming on board. Akwasi, good morning. Tell Honorable Kwache that the only third road in the Memphis Central is Hiawa. And I'm Hiawa to Suresu.
Which is bad. Yeah.
And you believe he drives on, and I believe he drives on it through to see the state of the road. God is watching all of us. Nana Kwame, Edway, Efri, Amenfi, and Ode Ebayam. When you see Akwasisi, please turn another down for this time he released the soldiers to town so that they will be able to control prices of goods and services in our market. Adom Basum, Anani Ishmael, and so anyway, Ebayam. What about 30 seconds?
30 seconds. I'm in Central for medical Kasachram. Our roads are bad. It is the responsibility of the government. Abayano, medical from Bordier to Asenkregua is the worst road. Okay. Titles in home. It is not the MP. Let us put pressure on the government. Okay. Demonstration, demonstrates. Okay. Other places have done it. Okay. Also, a poor MP now, they are on our new son and our and you're quite better. Because now loan, where government should go for a loan. Now, maybe if you don't roast, no cry, local government, assembly, you cry. Come on, find you, Triano Motundia. And you all come in road. Let us think. We have pressure into a government so demonstration never become near Lidi, near catcher by say a honor cocoa free, a honor gold fee, a for BBF fee, on your quino. But you don't attack the MP. And you better know no MP can ever do your road. Mammy, they should not give excuses. A fed transport first now, of course, they are blaming the people. Why do you blame the people? A government plans now, I caught you. Irresponsibility now almost says he can't do. And I'm about the situation like this. Mama blame people. Canada, Mahama time, no, is it not the same people? Not the same people. And I'm no solve problem when you Commander.
Yeah. Honorable Kwachioko, what did this now?
Okay.
And at that very place is the MP. What did he and his John Mama do at that place? I have voted more DB. Koto de budget, but me catch it. And son and another be.
Yeah, from.
Oh, come on, two. I am free. Come on, two. We are talking about. We are. I'm in this central.
Here, I'm in this central.
How do you can work?
Yes.
Me say, what the honor did this war? Commander, address me. I'm
board yet to assess.
Commander,
and I me patch and say, what did this war? Okay. Not your mama and minister, president of the republic. I don't know what to go down. But you didn't say more Kangana. A Quembia was here fast. Near Yeno, Yebayo. What? But I miss it from. Crisis a woman.
30 seconds, Nasso.
Crisis a woman. We are demonstrating leadership. Mampini Kufado.
Daniel Nipa Titles Global. Happy birthday to Mr. Microphone now off. Mr. Alex Ochre, MD for More Tea Choice. Happy birthday. And happy birthday, Sister Mavis, who was your remedy. They are watching now.